killed another 10 kobo. Look at you. Look at you. Ebijere was people that decided to ridicule Zion. You are a disgrace. Hey. So this is how low you can go to fight somebody. This is how low. This is how cheap you can condescend. This is how cheap. And I'm not sleeping time. I'm gonna go wolf. Do you know that I'm based in Chicago? Are we in the same frequency? You a disgrace. So this is all the cheap blackmailing you can blackmail to achieve your aim. How? May God have mercy on you. So one, they made this atom, this good for nothing dry oporoko to be coming out to be insulting her. So it has gotten to this level to be disgracing yourself to this manner. People that you know that is 100% against Zion, people that you know, they are fighting tooth and nail to bring that church down. So you, because of gaining, and again as somebody in good times, the same person the same person hand in hand. Let me tell you, you cannot fight the finger that fed you. You are just tomorrow I will look for the adjective I will use to qualify you. Look at it, for the general public that is not aware of anything. Well, let's see how it will end. Let's see how it will end. You a shame. Shame, that's who you are. Because of getting a mother with a personal vendetta. Drag yourself. You drove yourself into his enemy just to prove a point. Just to prove a point.
My dad is still a Christian. My siblings, they are all Christians.
This is how low you can go.
All Christians. I want you to try and manage this side. Ndioka. That's the way people misinterpret that particular language.
Sorry about that. Because now more whether in Catholic and so if I be using that word before, I want to apologize to the public. You know, I'm the kind of person that I listen to advice whenever I am wrong.
Oh,
so I will apologize.
So work as saga can listen to advice. You go listen to your grave. So Baristana the Bagunu, how una go capture me, how una go deal with me. Hey, program. Hey, God.
How about they use words? I want to withdraw from it.
You're not gonna withdraw.
What I'm saying is,
you're not going to withdraw. You will keep talking about Ndoka. You will keep talking about it. I withdraw, because the heat got them more fire. What you guys want to do now? What can Nandi tell me to do? Nandi cannot tell me nothing. Even this route, so you guys want peace and you don't want to do what peace required. You guys are Nandi's a nobody. He can't tell me what the fuck to do. He's a nobody. He's a nobody. He owns no position to tell me what the fuck to do. And he's a nobody. I bench Goya. That man should not allow me to open my mouth to. Come happy me I call that tenkobo. Oga, back off. So I what these people false information now suspend the account. You see, when these people bring rumor that is bogus, you begin to wonder how. So now you condescend yourself to the zero Gagwaha now suspend Rako no 3 to 4 months. Akwa never minister go Pubok. You see how cheap. See how so this is where you will belittle yourself and now walking out jogging. Yeah, are you aware? Is daddy aware? Kiji Wuru a spokesman of daddy or Guinea? Kiji Wuru the spokesman or the Guinea? Ije rubbish. Chere tomorrow. Unu get what I woto tomorrow. I just some can get a good hunu neku. Or sure you will be arrested. Oh yeah, fuck off. Chere did give me my arrest. Until then.
If I have to use such ndoka, I will now put in some ndoka because I know that's nasty. Most of ndoka, a category reproach and he got Christ.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Jpac, let me tell you one significant thing that happened in John chapter 11. The Bible says that by Jesus the grave of Lazarus, he made a prayer. He said, Father, do this because of these people standing by, that they may believe that you have sent me. The faith of those people standing by rose Lazarus from the dead. And there are things inside every church. Only 2 or 3 persons. We call it coincidence, but it is not. Sometimes
the same person he can desire on Bulaya. The same idiot to that voice note to Yano with me. He can desire on Bulaya. So you are the one they are using. Hey, my brother, you go collect woto. As you don't join yourself to mess, we go mess you join. Ya wuroge ka ha chega na ha ga-enwetere m justice na ha ga-eji gị eweta. You have failed. Ịdakwara ada ijigodo awe ịtagoro ada ịkụrụ afọ n'ala. So ọwụ gị ka ha chọrọ iji use with all this rubbish. Guys, don't forget to join me 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. tomorrow. From 1 to 2, always check your time. I will be here. Otago, I will be here. No more. But these 2 idiots, especially Jpac, they're gonna request him. Who is this one? But either way.
There. I've seen where accident happened. And many people are more there. But Oburu Maka didn't all of them came out alive. Check here, this check here. If ever when a snake meets a child suddenly, that snake does not harm that child. This is to show you how powerful God is. So when a particular church offend me, I don't generalize it. So hence you have apologized on that and you've taken cognizance of that. I really appreciate it.
And again, let me bring it to the notice. Now, more than 1,000 Mayana awards. Can question that called it on record. As a good judge, you must not go to university before you become a good judge. Judge starts from home. The way you handle cases, no one determines that no one a good father. Now, can you and the people 970 people watching? Earlier application needs to no yabo na bonju, no yajna bonju. About the or the corner wanted the person because all you need to make a again and wanna. If you ever have those who Imara camera across the next day, no one asked no one
but I will not say for one day into you put open. Every woman that didn't know now. Only a Papa Maconia and Warner. I don't understand. No, they complained the first time, say I am not listening the ones that are alive. Now I have totally listened the one that are alive. I got to Maconia and
Until you quite Jpac no cool. Jpac ya mukwa.
I got one out for you now, hey!
Jpac ya mukwa. Jpac ya mukwa go. Jpac ya mukwa go biko.
Hey! Yo, kamadu shatwashi. Yo, kamadu shatwashi. Now, wow.
Jpac.
Hello.
Okay, good evening. Okay.
Good evening.
Yeah. I love what that there is one man that called. That was when I wanted to join, but I was busy doing something. The man said something that is very, very important. These people that are saying that are just they are just saying all these things on a on the shallow level. The best thing I would advise everybody listening to us to do is to start from where the whole problem started.
Started.
They
Yes, yes, yes.
have not said anything about Ogechi's dad, and that is what she has been shouting. She has been saying, shouting, she has been saying that this is what they did to my father. These people they have to start from there and start asking
Yes,
the Jpac in question, why would you do this such evil act to somebody's
yes.
dad? See, let me tell you people something. Anybody that is listening to me, I have lost someone. I have lost someone. When you lose someone, you will know how painful it is to lose somebody.
Yes,
Not to
yes,
imagine a man that died during COVID, in the course of COVID, and on the bed where he breathed last was where somebody took a picture and sent it to the social media toward this
Do
lady. You
not
guys are
your
not talking about it. You guys are not talking about these evil acts. What has become of us? Why are people shying away from this evil truth? Because nobody can defend it, okay? Nobody can
yes.
defend it. That is why they are shying away from it. Okay, I watched this video you're talking about now. There is one man that came online, Reverend somebody. I can't remember his
yeah,
name.
Reverend
See,
Ephraim.
yes,
Ephraim,
if
yes.
Reverend Ephraim is hearing me, please, they should, for crying out loud, we are talking about a man, a professor in the United States of America, somebody's father. This man could be due to COVID. He has not even gone to the mortuary. That was where they took his picture. Please, Reverend, can you talk about this? It's very, very important. It's an evil act. Every time I see Oge talking about this, I cry because I know how painful. I know the pain she's feeling, and they shy away from it. And another thing again I want to point out is that this man called this governor whatever nonsense he's calling himself. See, okay, if you watch that video, that's what I'm calling. I watched that video. Network was didn't allow that barrister to say much. Barrister was talking on Ijele's whatever. Due to network, he couldn't say much. I don't know if he had maybe any other thing to say in mind though. But don't J Pipe or what and this man are not they try to bring in your topic. Network didn't allow the man to talk. Go and watch. I maybe if I didn't finish the video, but I watched it. Do you understand? So he
Yeah.
didn't say anything concerning you. I'm telling you the truth because there was no voice. People were not hearing anything from the end again, and the video I think maybe he ended
But
the video.
from
So
my sister, for him appearing there and for this
yeah, that is
idiot
it's shameful.
and
Yes,
for this
you're very,
idiot
very right.
coming out to say
Him even
that
coming to that
no,
platform where
listen,
these people have insulted Ebukobi.
listen. For him coming to this particular idiot that has
Yes,
made himself as an enemy to Zion,
to Zion. Yes, very
and
bad.
not only that, we are this don't go Morocco ex-convict again. Now life with Jpac that the information from people that is connected to Ebukobi. Do you understand that
Yes,
signal?
mind
Did,
game. That's
did
mind
you
game.
get it?
Yes, yes, they are playing mind
Do you
game.
understand
Everybody,
the game
except,
of this game? This is just totally
except, it's
playing.
only a fool. It's only a fool that will not understand what they are doing. I get your point very well. But Anima like
Try to
Ijido
make
Madam.
me
Anima
look
like
like you.
Ijido Madam.
Try to make me look like this Zion are not in
Yes.
support of Ogechi. Because
Okay,
some
hold on.
appeared on your
Okay,
platform.
okay. I like to hold somebody red as in very tight that you cannot deny it before I attack. Chelukoli Potacha very well. Allow him to
Okay.
come out.
Okay.
Do you understand? Play
Okay.
the game with them. So I trust you to be a very smart lady. That's
Okay.
what, in fact, that's one thing I love about you. So check only Potacha
Okay.
very well. Then you can now say what you want to say. Nobody will stop you. See, okay, let me tell you, see this thing that is going on. People are watching, oh, great and mighty, and they know
Yes.
the truth.
Even
There
then
is
I want
nobody,
even then
there
I
is
want
nobody that will take, there is nobody that will take what Jpac did to you.
Hmm.
Nobody will take it. No
That's why
human being. Nobody, even all these people that he's mentioning, nobody will take it. So they are just playing. I pity them. I pity that his wife doesn't have brain. If that his wife no nwere uche, ọ ga-akpọ di esi nna ọ bụrụkwanụ onye ya biko bụ a weak person. Can you please settle with this lady? What you did to this lady is bad. Can you settle with this lady? That woman that he's married now, open up appear in that manner on social media. We should take it. Nobody will take it. So when our Igbo men and our Igbo women start talking about it, that is when peace will gradually begin to set
thank
in.
you.
But as long as they're not going that area, my dear, we are not going. We go nowhere. We are here. They must talk about your father. They must bring it because I want to see how they will judge it. I want to see who will judge that case. Do you know the magnitude of that crime they committed? It's very, very bad. It's something I cannot forgive anybody. If you have done that to my father, my precious father, who are you? Who are you? I will so deal with you. They are saying he just got married. Look at somebody that has been calling people prostitute. Somebody, is it not a human being that that man left? Is it not a young lady that sacrificed a lot for him that he is disappointed? Is that lady not feeling pain? People are not even going there. Is that lady not feeling pain? Because she's a woman.
Don't
A
worry.
man will always come and do
Tomorrow,
whatever he wants
there are
to do.
many videos I will play.
Hold on now. A man will come out
Tomorrow.
and do whatever he wants to do and get away with it, and people will not talk. We have sisters, we have children. If somebody treated your daughter like that, took her everywhere, did everything, and did not marry her, and is still coming out to lay allegations on her, that man is very wicked. Very wicked. You didn't marry her. The lady is not talking about you, and you're still going about carrying this woman up and down. And you say you're not anywhere belly faced, or you don't talk too much. You talk too much. You talk like a child. When I watch him, he talks too much. He doesn't even know how to control his speech.
There is no sense in anything that's coming out from his mouth.
Look
at the cheap lies. He's trying to lie. Okay, check if I get 1 million.
Even okay. There is somewhere that he wants to fuck up. That's a governor Eziashi try to cover him up there because his mouth is always leakage. No, his mouth is leaking. So there's some some of the things. We are watching, unless if somebody that when you're watching something, pay attention, watch their face, watch the countenance, watch everything, read meaning into everything, and you know what is playing on. I just pity him. I just pity people that are and another thing again, that man that came out, I listened to that man's talk. That man doesn't even want problem. But
Which man?
Then the C-Man Global called in on that video.
This program.
No, not this one. On that live video.
Not the live video and can't play that now.
Yes, he called in. You will hear. I want you to pay attention. The man said, Ogechi is our sister. We cannot kill ourselves. Let's look for how to settle it. And you know what? Immediately the man dropped the call. These people did not want, if it were to be people that are wise, they will now leverage on that man's talk and say, okay, since the person that is even being accused is speaking of peace, we cannot say anything again than to see what we can. We have to go inside and discuss on what we will do, because that man gave them a very good landing but they are fools. They don't have brain. He gave them a very good landing for them to retrace their step and probably look for how to make peace. They still continued. The governor of I don't even want to call him governor. I don't know who made him governor. Was now saying that that the people should watch you, that they will come on camera and will still come out and shout. Is that what you're supposed to do after that great speech? After that great speech that man gave, that was where I gave up. I was disappointed. I said these people are not wise. If I were to be in that shoe in that program, I would leverage on that talk and look for a safe landing. But they don't have brain. Don't continue playing it. You will see where I'm talking about. You will see where the man talked. The man called in. That's to tell you that I watched it. The man called in. You see where the man talked.
Which means that is so much important that now they would bless yam. And don't have a go see a table. My ex, him and I fabricate a lie. My ex, the only person I did not know any other woman which you said God is okay. My ex, who come on, I will be the one to phone a man like Rom do baby. Here, I so open a Christmas near 400 something thousand. No, thank you, no, very much. Okay, him or what him, the rest person they have is not a legal Brazil. Yeah, them boy get 4 when you spend it under 2 weeks, 450,000. Now complain, they're going to
get this guy, eh? Get any on a poor. This guy is a bloody demonic liar. I am the blame with that ex here because of two open. What can I destroy you? Uju, this guy get finished. Just watch and see. Okay. Some people
that's what I'm telling you. The lady did not say anything. Why can you are the one that left somebody? You're still the one crying. You said you did not marry her. The person has not come out to talk and you're still crying.
Because now if you marry a husband, they got now 150,000 no or any mama age was not a money. You say, why am I spending more than 500,000? No charge, no issue, nothing, not a hand next one more than 500,000. What if Namuzia not Namana village? You put me in a crime. Before then, say, what? The mother, I had a so I witnessed it more about and if all those things need and I don't see you with any other woman except you, Madam Rambo get it did not debunk it. It's because he would hate the bedroom. Madam Tasha, he did not debunk it. It is not more, but I had a good now. He did not debunk it. Then
Jpac.
If they go put a court to how do you put it? Get me a snag.
Come on, don't cover rubbish up or say something. You go both ways. You are under closed. Come on, Michelle. Your EK is for your contracts. Your EK is for your contracts. The other is your sexual satisfaction. You want to go? Even 2 holes that you even 1 hole. Where another place in the bunyam, okay? Is a life that you want to live, but a life of a contract or a life of a connection. What are you trying to paint blue now? Are we not matured enough to know that when I hear equality in the name of contract, I want to make connection? In a people, I live in the country, honey. I live in where I have seen in the bani. Where China working still they still married. You can't paint your rubbish game. When you're like a you can't even defend yourself in a soft ground. Everything you talk is rubbish. Nah, query.
Oh, yeah. Can it be a snake? You open here. And who told you that? If we have that people download the video now, screen record there, repost today. That's next time they put an allegation that this very one another. They will still look for any of my contacts again. Corrugate to be yours because As no one came born and came born and cheto, AJ Abahoso, and I won't kill my AJ.
Everything everything your record you has told me I will bring all of them out. I will no, they say there are many. I'm going to get part 1, part 2, till part 1 million. Everything one after another. There are many things you told me.
One, no evidence, no proof. Second one, no evidence, no proof. No first note. Third one, no evidence, no proof.
Okay. Ex convict yourself. This matter.
This idiot.
Okay. Okay.
Now, Peter, check and play. Check and play.
And the useless fools are sharing it. I cause those people who share negative things. I cause them with Aja and Abenam. I cause them with Ogudo. I cause them with Ogumu. I cause them with everything in my village. Whoever that is behind this, both in the under group, they can never see good change. This year, but the worst year ever. And if they will see next year, how they attack the country, Facebook, they have your without minding how people will insult me. Allow me, please.
Allow me, John. You offended my father, you offended my family. You still have not apologized. You should give me your John. You took my father's picture at his last day in this earth. Dr. Professor Timothy Okeke, you brought him out and ridiculed him. Give your John in an apology. Who are you deceiving? You carried allegation against my mother. Till date, the only man who my private part of my mother, who my dad alone. Nobody else. I can swear with it under this oil no nishi. My mother will try my age. You accuse my mother you and you think you have peace, and I can let that peace come. Let me see who will solve you. Let that peace come. Peace, that's the day that peace will exist. And I query you my father and who belated him. Which one again? They are shipping from every man every ship. Let me see anybody that will hold me in that land. And Aquino. Come on, the problem is should be on an Aquino. Problems. Even this year in Africa can't job. At least tell them how to draft it. And I call it. Tell people not going here. About peace when the information you think that side you're going will save you. You just dig here your main grave. Look at them, bunch of lunatics. Yeah, this lady, I don't know what's wrong with your account. You keep requesting.
Wait, madam. How? And Major Gumu, and Major Yuku, and in the road today, you've been 21.
Bia Jpac, Peba, I got to Yana Boon, without you put on again with a camera set here. Again, I say on our reader here. They know they hear out because there are a lot of forces here. They know they hear you. Go to your place. Get to your place. Imagine me, you another place. Gaga no Guguaho. Or whatever na to the free passing game, Chana, Begana garbage. It's not where this Oguguna no looking. Chineka Pongono, you demon.
Month of November. I cause their generation and generation to come. I cause them. I don't know who I cause their generation. Put milk in my wine. I cause everything. Every offspring. I will leave. There's no need for that. I will leave. There's no need for that. Can we hear from one or two persons? Story. Let me block this person story. Immediately. Please, those of you who has just the wise amongst you, I want to hear the opinion of 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5 persons, just like 3 or 4, 5 persons. Put up phone number, let people call. Let us hear people put up phone number. I just dropped my number here. 09064 2357 and 45. So I just want to hear the opinion of only but 3 matured persons. Drop. And if you call to insult, drop it. Let me tag it. I've dropped the number.
Don't forget to join me by 2 p.m. or 1 p.m. tomorrow.
Look at it here. Let me mention you there. Beautiful, I am trying to bring you, but you are not accepted. You didn't accept.
Okay,
somebody is calling. Let's hear from this caller. Okay. Hello, my name is.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, everybody. Good evening. 1 minute to contribute to this program. All right, go ahead, sir. I'm through you, okay. Sometimes people na say, no, so I'm ikichiya. Of a person okay, Governor, if you could remember, I called you. Take it, do everything to push this problem, if you could remember. Yes, sir. Then you said, okay, that you are going to press pause to stop this thing. I'm very happy. But sometimes people should wait. Let the person on the call get done before you call. Go ahead, sir. Like the same camp before, and everybody was doing so. No. This is not what I was not in any camp with anybody. Hello, the next person, please. Hello. Hello. Please reduce the volume of the one you are using to watch me. Yeah, I have done that. Governor, good evening from here. Good evening, my brother. This is a Marugo. I'm the first person that try to predict you. That really I send you money for Richard card on life broadcast because of how truthful you are. I really love you as a human being. So I decided to. I don't know why people will. Many people are calling. Allow the woman online to contribute. Hello. 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 Okay, madam, go ahead. I'll continue taking their calls after you must have said something.
Okay, good evening, everybody. Good evening. Okay, yeah. Phone na TikTok okay no China. Somebody get on an account na somewhere. So yeah. Okay. So even honestly, I patiently listen to you. Sometimes I kumaka mother from the other person. Odeka, I really felt for you, but the only thing feel maybe made a mistake. I'm not trying to castigate you, but this is what I feel. But it's always good. It's always good to walk out peacefully. Right? I'm going to know that you walk away. Don't discuss the person, because sometimes some posts in a or they can small now go. Yes. Do you understand? Yes. So I do. I'm not me festival no more Ogechi, because I'm like Ogechi before. I know that for sure, because I'm a mythology, you know. So so I'm not me festival more Ogechi because I'm all that stuff. But my point is always good. Sometimes if on them if you learn from it. Nobody has a monopoly of knowledge, right? But the only place I feel that the meta seriable, like relationship or if you gonna if I work, you do want making it work way. Yeah, walk way on a clean slate. You move on, this person move on.
Everybody was sorry that it's you know. I walked away with pure. Since last year, they don't go on.
But in being we go so that
but I'm able to so what is trending online may normal video.
Do not deny Yalaya. Thank God that some people are very clever and watchful. Thank God. Tomorrow I will play that video where everybody walked away. Ipia get point directly. Ipia get point directly. Get online billionaire. Fake billionaire and everybody bitters and this young lady, may you live long. Whoever you are that came up and spoke the truth, may you live long. May you see good things in your life. You walked away. You and this ex-convict, we are poking ako. Okay. Walk away, move on. Everybody have left each other. Still, you guys don't want to rest. If fake billionaire, left, got right, got 100 days, every minute, every second. You did not rest and mind your fucking business, and you think I will let you rest? You think I will let you and ex-convict rest in this blue app? Unless this blue app. Ndala. Who the fuck is this? Chere? Ayang, Otilo. You want to go? You didn't rise. You didn't move on with your crippled and your frustrated life every time. Akwemenage, akwemehoge, akujikwamjikwa biyego. Namga waya war. Namge meyaka. Gemeka mistakenly. Akwadapoge on that video. You deleted it, but we captured it. Can't you? Are you a woman? A woman. Whoever you are, you have spoken wisdom. Truth. Everybody that stand on the truth. All of you that don't want to say the truth, none of you get peace. None of you peace will exist in your household. Thank God that God has given me the strength to challenge every odd. The truth. Let that lies to be told. Before 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock when I join him today. Jpac, again at this as convict. When I get this your criminal friend in Doshin or this cookam coupled with the criminals. Dala. Thank you for pointing the truth. Can we you don't want to go with Akwa again? You have left off every minute, every second. Those of you that are close, I got when Kewejoku. Oh, walk on a rere when I try to be a Ogechi one on your which one all one color show all one color upon and I coeri Dala.
Some post
See how you lie?
Ịma na social media enwe ka ọ dị like o nwere ihe ọ ga-asị na atụọ inu onwe nka nketa onye tara arụ asị na ọya ka a na-agba ịghọtago so o nwere ụdị okwu ọ ga-abịa ikwu o nwere ụdị post ọ ga-abịa ime ma ebe right up onye ọbụla amarugo and ị ga na comment section onye ọbụla nwere na point aka na onye aka a na-ekwu maka ya na onye aka a na-ekwu maka ya ịghọtago o nwere one post email I will remind you o nwere ikwuru okwu o nwere ikwu kịta anụ nwabata Ogechi and akwụbeghị ụgwọ mmanya o nwego mgbe imere post like that it doesn't make sense like you walk away peacefully achọghịzi m ọdịmma gị na onye you move on everybody will stay on their own you know I won't discuss
move on and I dog and I you move I won't say anything. It's all one number idiot. All you need to know I won't say anything. My name is maybe my family or my wife. The money will hear saying you
a liar. I didn't notice you. I didn't call you. I didn't fucking notice you. You moved on. Everybody moved on. And when you is when you came out, is when I started attacking you. You started this fight. Decide, yeah. What was your case in Egypt? Move on. Decide, yeah. What was your case? Mbuno gara Dubai. Ozimbahu koji feginanya. No Ogechi is up for you. Ipuru punazurike. Eshembanega hapo akwaka. Itigo opum. Getiga. Ke mama mo mana kan ya na kekpa na kpo uge baby. Enwa hu tu so getiga ex convicts. Una be me hem go gbala. Una epiton be ba ko attack. Una me attack. Odio bilonia. Biano Zion. So biano nka e ga biali. Una ewetu omu the plan unu plan him this guy. Omu problem unu. Not even the omu wa with the reason ji unu n'olu. Omu na asu nya ji unu n'olu. Because our problem we get what today because na other content creators make a meeting now maybe personal. You and this demon went and organized demonic clue to make it only way home. This is a how you disturb people in boss. Onega batragewa. Ihwala kesa here the TV. Ihwala utako. Iwa abiage. Something with skibo. Iwa abiage. How can people be fighting on them when he hammer? Ikutoro. Ashi ishiketoro biya babuya. This lady told you nothing but kewe shopu. Ne, may you live long. May the truth you spoke today be the truth. Keep denying it. You can go deny yala ke make you everybody. Oh deny you go ya. Oh deny you go ya. When did people start dipping? When I warned you, stay away from her. Move on. It's over. I keep warning you. It's over. Hapa akwaka. Unemecha why am I praising Akwa? You may get fake account to be a comment rubbish. Why am I praising Akwa? I can praise that demo praise Akwa. Friend indeed is a friend in need. Friend indeed. I stood by Olesi today. Olesi today, or Olesi today that Facebook never existed again. That's no chocolate. That's entertainment. I won't entertain. I am too wisdomized to give room to my enemy to mock me. Whatever possible. Rather, I will walk away from that sin. I may get angered at the first minute. But my bedroom, that's one thing about me. Wisdom may lead dimu. That is why they name me with the beam today. That is why I'm a change. I'm the well organized. My circle is too small for you to penetrate. I'm a trauma because I'm a woman born. But they go mu. But I don't depend on anybody. I don't seek nothing from you. Did you get it? So why would I be expanding my host? Kiji opportunity ahụ kpari onwe m. The day m ga-adị weak n'ụwa when this body is no longer working, when all these organs begin to disappoint onwe ya, mgbe m ga-ama adịgo weak to an extent, m ga-abịa depend on health care, doctors to do. But as far as nga m nọ, ama m ụyọ ọgwụ ama m ishi before this shark warm or less my flu or weather change it, ọ ga-ahụ m ishi akwụọ m. Or before give me shit, ndomi shiba na arahụ na m. Enweghị m any life that it stops me. Ana m aṅụ sleeping pill. Even sleeping pills na-ediri ka m na-ewepụta ya n'ahụ m na-enye ndị mmadụ. Because m dobe isi mkpa in a minute arahụ na m. Gaa kụọkwa mkparịrị m mee ite ya. A second kwa m arahụ. God hajila mento ma hajila. Ọ ma ihe m ga-abatụlụ n'ụwa. Were enwe ọsọgodi m kwuo okwu 24 hours today. Nothing pim nlaba m arahụ zuola onwe m ike. Onye di m na-ajụ m akwụkwọ m mmadụ, are you a human being? Ya nwoke ya anaghị eme anything na anọkọta ya shee nwere isi mashi ke nke wu isi ọkụkọ. The only thing when weather change breeze ekusa m n'imi, that's the only thing you will feel. Even isi na anything in aga m ebugodi ya aka ọrụ. No nwoke you refuse. Day your day you refuse. Dashike you refuse. Gishimba. Gina this oboroko agadi nwoke elechara gisha get loro ya. Get kwete because of saga. Then nobody only 60 something years, she had 30 something. Okay, ciao, I'm done. I'm 20. What about me? I'm 20, honey. Dala. Ne. Okay, drag
After that, that saga, we have difference between saga and
yeah.
Most of 90% of saga you see online, both arranged saga.
Let me
About saga. After what? That is love. Allegation is different from saga.
Why you
If you are it's different.
Jpac, please give me this audience. I have an online here, Reverend Ephraim Onoye.
I wanted to bring him in, but on a court.
Okay, Reverend, please, Madam, just be patient. Reverend, go ahead.
Jpac,
yeah, good day, sir.
Happy honeymoon. Some of us may not be happy with what is happening.
Why people are when they
Reverend Ephraim Onoye.
Okay, Reverend Ephraim Onoye, okay.
So what I'm saying is, I've tried to, I've been calling Governor Isiokwu, trying to see if we can bring this saga and all this to an end of what I call a lie. No, when you pull it back, means you will send the request or maybe this call. When Governor Isiokwu said, from your own end, you don't bully the church. You don't generalize in your problem with a particular church. You don't make it general. And immediately you said you apologized to that. I became so happy, and in fact, the love I have for you was restored immediately.
Thank you.
So what I'm saying now is, church, you are a Christian. Open a church, you wouldn't have gone to the church to wake your wife. And then open a church, so also given a church, if you do the wrong thing, I come after you immediately. I don't care. So the thing this your career. Continue what you are doing, but let it not look as if you are fighting the church.
I can never fight church because my father can be evangelist.
Okay, so that's good. So then the other side of Basalo is talking. Governor Isiokwu knows how far we've gone to see if the fire will go down, and I believe it will go down soon. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
Okay, good. Everybody, Ephraim. ịma na onwe ilu ndị Igbo na-adọ sị na onye nna eduri ohi na-eji ọba agbalịdọ onye ndị mmụọ na-akụri egwu n'ime ọhịa na-agba egwu karịa anybody else can imagine. Ọ na-ekwe nchi ebe sponsor nọ n'akụkụ na-ewe ya ịmana some people nwere ka ha si ihe a na-ewepụta bụ nke ya ka aka na-echie mmadụ eji agwụrụ Jpac ụgwọ 300,000 ka eji eme mana ịkụzighị na a gwara ma onye ahụ ị na-ese ndịrị ya na isokwa ese ndịkwa anya nwee ego kwa na ịchọ ọkpọba afọ mmadụ niile ị na-ese ndịrị ego onye bụ na ị na-ese ndịrị ego ndịrị ya for what? Onye anyị na-asị ya jee ị na-enye wụọ ya jee gbaa Jpac isokwa ese ndịrị enwe ego and o ji data dị n'aka and my happiness bụ na o ji data na mgbe ọ ga-esu ntu nke ya dị disastrous akụchigo ya na bọtụrụ ntu a ochie na ogudu bọtụrụ na mọl toy na River Niger ọ ya anọgide as slave ebighị ebi bọsọ ọbụla esi ka ị nwere onwe gị that day ekwupe gị afụchapụ kacha.
So you are even contradicting your false allegation here. Now, in a sending ego. Now, Ogechi bu all your information. Now, Ogechi burula million bunyegi. So now, who is confused on this statement now? Are you more confused than me? You came out and you told the general public, over how many million came around? All right, Oya, Otilo, fuck off. Singapore, you had the temerity, you commented somewhere where I was checking my post. You still had the temerity. Come on, fuck off for son. Singapore to swana him that it wonyara that gave back to you. Come on, Singapore son. So now you came back again and said, na kunye purmonyo upunyina million ego. Guys, is someone making sense here? Is someone making sense here, or someone don't know how to put his lives together? Na iputazela na ndam keshiri akuna bottle. Ase nwanye loyalo. Sorry, ase nwanye olualo. Ase gene. Because I did not allow you guys to destroy that young man. Because I did not allow you guys to come out with your lies. Me, the first note I could send there again. Na ken mata, Gabriel Punyo lost son. All your propagandas and your evil work. Because I'm the one standing in between you all than to ridicule this man. Is it not why you guys are so bitter? Now, should I another direction to come now? Kadashi cause a problem. Mama, daddy, and Akwa. Uno man who made this divide and rule now. Nobody will come out to stand for Akwa again. But don't you know that I'm smarter than you? You two trash. Or you know I'm the too smart. Or we maron I'm the too smart than two of you useless men. You can't do divide and rule, Ebem, no. I am wiser than the way. I am wiser than the day nigga. And when be une ship will be at this angle. No one I'm can a bottle. And I make a bottle because all put day before yesterday. She these four things daddy, Nana Gazayon, and I would the honor of Zoro Bitas and Ogechi. That these four things when I get child at 10 Ishabakunu. Are you put on a full program? Oh, because of that video I made. Even you're not, this video you made is not even defending yourself for what Ogechi said. It's all about Akwa. Akwa has nothing to do with una beef with me. But you guys are only lamenting on Akwa. Onye na them Akwa. Onye na them Akwa. Akwa. Is that Akwa number muna give it no beef? Akwa number muna, because you guys only got a secret. You told Akwa, happen one, yeah. Leave this woman. Akwa shigin na hapụ Ogechi na Ogechi omere again. No when he nesere again ya na Ogechi. Una horum asị ọmụ a was stumbling block Akwa na enye unu ego. Mgbe Akwa na enye unu ego was idea. Do you know why I could respect me a lot today? Because I've never see I could give me 1 naira. Let me tell you, if you want to hold your respect anywhere, you're not gonna the big man in make you here. Never you say please or God give me money. That is why Ojihuno has a chance. Because there's nothing to contribute in his life. I have never for one shackle. Give me 1 naira. Give me 2 naira. On his birthday, I gave him money on his birthday. I personally did. Did you get the point? I never belittle myself in it. What do I need naira for? I could donate to my NGO. Donate to acquisition they provide for the widows and for the poor. That is where I cannot say I could give me personal money. That is why Ojihunu assumed they chaff. And we who got Panayuru. Because you guys made you guys so cheap. I will always carry at the giving end. That is why onyo will actually mean me him when I get an amma he will do he didn't line because same I go to no Ogechi it's not. And when one young man then I'm a doctor fortunate. He went to the same medical school with my husband. Hagra McDonald University before both of them came here. Dr. Fortunate man work go no Buddha. Oh yeah, one with that mansion. This is my platform. If you like, you go down that. Nigeria. I'm talking about the mansion all in America. The mansion also in America. Imana, everybody that comes around that young man, that guy in Enyehego, do you know why he respects me to today? One day he said, "Okay, why don't you ask me for?" And when I'm you keep rejecting it. Do you know why? Because I know my standard in life. I'm sure Dr. Fortunate in any dream $10,000 he will not give me. He will with his full chase. With his food, so cheap that nobody will regard all of you. Even if you have go dimu, you can never see call me say nyamonya. Never, that possible. I don't rally around people because of their money. I rally around people because I love you. Because I will stand by you. So I will stand by something I know that I will swear to stand with. Go and check my records. Honesty. Because you usually follow apart where you go. Money. You guys are money mongers. Hungers. Until you start having self-worth. Start respecting yourselves as men. That's what kind of age you walk in. What kind of age? Men does not depend on their fellow men. Women can depend on men. But I may a position I want to position as a woman. But I've been done a position as a man because you know why? I don't collect. Give me money. He knows. He know. Never in my life. Just that I make a bad day. Shock, you get a bad day. You get me a bad day. Simple as that. But don't I gonna pay na acquisition center. Ebe me pre NGO for day we call there. That is how it ends. When we get shock, personal money. We're personal money in my account. It's not be. Onu believe when even common 50,000 S-convt moto. I could have to give it to you too, Balamoto. Unu cheap to an extent. What keep una na that unu hungry people. So kezi ho ju neme. Learn how to uplift you. I go to Nigeria like a mother matter na that poor. Learn and behave with yourselves. Ogechi is not your problem. I'm just somebody that knows my worth. Somebody that knows knows my worth. Mbruno Nigeria na make invite in my house. You respect that house you work in. Gabana na ma bolo somebody. Iga puta bonk anyhow because I merit it. E batago de bupule bukotiki. E bupule bukotiki. Gamata. That's it. Before you open your mouth, get bendigodi. You feel it? So for you guys, you know who respect. You know who respect. You guys have disgraced yourselves to a standard that you don't worship them. You guys are worthless. Today. Nobody own you guys anything. Got your own ego. Stop depending on your follow me. Aku owns you guys nothing. Absolutely nothing. Zero. Absolutely shit.
Well, I want to carry chicken on me, and by the grace of God, I am a United Nations Peace Ambassador. I am a peace ambassador for United Nations, so I know the steps I can take in, and by the grace of God, we will achieve it a successful goal. Needed to go do more people where Tinion says, in the middle of just phone calls. The agitation publicly now that you have accepted what Governor Zoko said. You don't need to fight the church. You don't need to talk as if you are fighting the church. And that your apology alone told more people. Now we are together again.
All right, thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Reverend, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for always being there. All right, to those people listening to us, let me say this again, critically clear. 2 wrongs can never make a right. I always say this, 2 wrongs can never make a right. It is, I try on this course to never to accept some cause here for a best reasons because I wouldn't want some certain things to escalate. Hello, please, may I hear you? My name is Governor Zioku. Yes, please, I am on live section and the whole world is listening to you.
Yeah, I did my way. God Jpac Njaka more down. Where your name is? I have a room as nobody can want to create. Yeah, I thought Jpac here and no Jpac you pull phone no. Okay, if you say hey, I don't remember who does that. How come those I get? Evidence. You don't post. I want to have ask. I know. Do get back and no. Do phone no. What do you want? No. Nah. Wow. Some people have to know. Some people now put that in as. No, just I got as close to people want to be you. I'm trying that one. Then we say people that one alpha bargain or to zero see man. 2 see man and 2 Jpac and Jpac have boom. This one boy. People me to see man. People we are not kids. So from listening to all these threats, that's what I want to say.
Thank you.
Ikucha Galabo, I will keep saying the truth. Me who reason, that is your own cup of tea. Otayi she believe, other people she believe. So deal with your own. I don't give a fuck. That day he told me, nothing can change that way. Interpret it or reinterpret it. That is your own cup of tea. Did you get it? It's none of my business. The truth, everything but I'm has of a seen at this blew up. Nothing can change it. But so only Jpac he get blue phone while Aku is his follow man. He cannot ask Aku direct ego. Yeah, but I'm not trying Aku ego. So that one can also be possible. Come on, Susu me also.
Thank you very much. All right, next call on the line. This is Governor Zoko on live section. Hello. Can you walk away from your other phone?
All right.
Yeah, one number. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, my brother. You're welcome.
Yes, I want a congratulations for new wife. In Rainbow Wine. Oh,
Thank you, sir.
if you talk about
Igbo Gist.
Hello?
Yes, go ahead.
Jpac igwe mụpụ eget mbaka nke bụ eziokwu ịma anyị ọdụ ndị nnukwu anyị eji maka egwu ebe eziokwu mana uche ya mgbagharụ anyị mgbaghara ya nke afọ n'oge echi pụtị nje Jpac ịgbachita gị nkịtị amabụ eji wee kwuru kwụsị ya azụnwe ebe mmụta ịgbachi nkịtị ọzọ gị abụghị ya adamụwa gọọmenti get too loud don't too loud na pand. I go and reply where I know video. I don't talk about it. You watch and see you push over to it. Hello?
Also, name I'm to take with it.
I'm a man really do. Mom, not like fucking opposed to. I'm a really do. I'm going to be doing sense. You go to see. Wait, I'm flip. You understand? When you go away, that's why you show you I'm an open to.
Okay.
So, why you got what about OGK? I am too in terms of I've too much on your car, I don't too much for your car. No, I go church you. I don't too much for your car. But I respect I'm back too much. I don't even know I'm going to expect to work it out. I'm back at Akwa church. If I mean, you go in and you're done equal. They made no man, I can move in. So, I was fight to why church or when I'm here, or what I know. When you do it, you want to go in 1 year. I want my coffee low. Okay,
In one other minute, you're welcome. You're welcome. New call on the line. My name is Ogechi Okeke, and this is live broadcast. Good evening. You're welcome here.
yes, I don't need to follow this program.
Yes.
I don't know. So, I like to remain Jpac come on this night. I hear me.
Yes.
Maybe come out and express yourself. Are you getting me? This afternoon, yes, when I saw the video of Ski woman, I was highly disappointed on that guy. It was like, guys, when I watched the video, then I got like, think I was people now, I knew like a super young. Like, it's are you getting me? He really spoke like his food. Like, when you know how much I know. Are you getting me? Every woman would know that that woman is crazy. She's a very stupid and selfish woman.
How would make him monogamy useless?
I want the problem.
I get back to you, the hopeless.
Okay, Bahankit. I want the problem. They will just come and be. I don't understand this man. I don't understand
any man who will put on the hopeless.
Oh my God.
The woman that gave back to you is useless.
That is why you mad no longer. So what is wrong with our Igbo brothers?
The woman that gave back to you were hopeless, lousy, useless woman. Because
I thought now how we be at this program.
I'm not going to follow you, but I'm not going to page and I watch video. I'm not going to video.
Follow me. You still come to my platform.
So why are you monitoring her page?
That is the thing. My thought will intimidate all of you. I know, fear. My thoughts will intimidate all of you. Fuck you, fuck the mother that gave back to you because she did not nurture you very well. She has disappointed the womanhood. Negative useless.
I don't know how our
I want to praise the woman that she should come back to the morning this and that.
That is a madman. That is a madman saying. It's a madman talk.
Ex-convict when he came, man. Ex-convict got no shame. You cannot. You are ranting. You are a ranter till tomorrow. You got no shame. You are the hopeless mad idiots. When he came, man. He got no shame. Ex-convict when he came, man. Let's bet it. You will see in Nigeria, no shame. Come on, get out.
I was telling my friend the one I was here on phone when they see you on.
I'm forget the car, I beg.
You can't just go inside out.
Don't look at you a dry fish, he can make it. Don't look at you what Morocco, he can make. You are just a pawn, a dry stockfish. He can make. You are an idiot. Idiot. Anu here. Come on, God bless you when you're walking. Then never key tea, Jashigase. Never key tea, Aboga, Jpac, Pabo Jashigase, Nika. The incompetent Igbo man.
Okay, just boot away.
Because someone had torment you. Someone
these are a bunch of misogynists.
I can finish here video because can finish here.
One thing we believe is that which it shows on a very good thing. That fire will turn back and burn him. Because that is
Nnegi wonyara ime your mother is a mad woman. Nnegi wonyara. And I know you will see my video. I'm talking to you, you useless caller. Magi wonyara. The mother that gave back to you is hopeless. Your mother wonyara. The water him na bagi nnegi wonyara.
Sometimes you think the family.
Jpac, he told me, the so-called person you're referring to, that Mbo the woman give favor, ya should bend ya, Nike bending at the roya. Nike bending at the roya, now he bend again. How do you want me to respond? I'm a when Kija watch, you can make a noise there. Please, can you lower it? Thank you.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Emma, sorry to waste time. You could too much. Evangelist, this evangelist people now. I'm trying to make peace. When you go and say, I wanted to read from the light because when you put Ogechi, because who is Ogechi? Everybody knows that.
I don't want to peace with Uma. I'm about to say more. I don't want peace with Uma. Everybody knows me. Why are you guys running around to them? Everybody knows that I'm lying. So why are you guys panicking? Let me continue now. Why is he affecting all of you? Oh, she that collect you know be talking. Onyara, do I want peace with Una? I cannot do peace with Una. All of them here the necessary apologize to my father. The case closed. That's it. I'm gonna know peace. I'm gonna know make up. No one war so when he no. I think I get bit of peace. That he put my father and buried my father. So come and apologize to him and do the necessary things. You move on. Knows or face yes, one place may face it. I don't have no peace with you. Come on, shut up.
He's a mad woman. She's a mad woman. I need to me. And I read the woman and I she's a woman. Let's just do it. Oh my God, for that's not. She won't know we don't keep it. Don't say what you want to say. Do what you want to do. Don't respect anybody again. I'm the one. Let them go to hardness. She's a mad woman. I'm going to tell you about sometimes you make it. Sorry, men. I can't put that right on Mama, right on this one. Carry all of them. Social media can the whole world need. Is that not?
Are you guys not the member of the people that created the author? Are you guys not the member? I'm coming back to it too. Are you guys not the member? SCOMVT, Governor Onyo with the patron, Jpac with the patron. It's for name the group. So what are you saying? Because I'm going to expose. I'll continue to expose all of you. And don't you last short to put on a public agony pushing them. Deal with it. Deal with it. If you make yourself the most hopeless person may make here, auto can get putake mage putameji akushi as well. You guys have not. Akwa will continue the madness, and the madness will keep consuming all of you. Because I am that kind of person you can play that rubbish with. Oh my God, now my own no go area. I am no just no more thing to say. Come on, fuck off, voice on. Onu get put on name, and where you guys onyara kuku na kweshe dey pay attention. But onyara if onyara talk una go dey mind una business now, and esusuare.
Yes, and previous and barbaric acts.
Yeah, okay.
This thing alone, like the general aside, this woman, shows that that guy is demonic and stupid and barbaric.
The boy guy.
He's not supposed to do woman, not but on Nigeria, and when we live in my brother all right, thank you very much. Thank you. All right, more callers. I've had Jpac, you can't tell someone is calling me from the US. Hello, this is Ogechi Okeke, and I am on live broadcast just to inform you. You're welcome. Good evening. I am on live section just to bring to your notice that I am on live broadcast.
Join me tomorrow.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, Jpac is from the US right now.
Welcome.
I'm not trying to Colorado. Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Ogechi Njaka. Jpac, now. He reply Ogechi, my brother. He just he blocked that video. Because of what?
You idiot! And don't want to kill on Obodo Yubo because something at your voice, in on Obodo Yubo, not future. Pack and Bongo Gelapu. Pack and Bongo go back to Nigeria, really hopeless. You're a very useless man. I'm on the US. Come and meet me. Don't make me meet you. Come scatter, get up, wogi, because you overdo here. Come on, get out to you, the naked woman that get back to you, the hopeless. Idiot.
Hold on. Seaman not here.
Okay, sir.
Here.
Sir, hold on. Seaman Global is here. You can still stay on this line.
But Seaman not here. Ask him to hear that call.
Okay, go ahead, sir.
Go, sir. Okay, so but your volume KJ your own phone. That's about your volume.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, so go on, sir. Hello, sir. Hello? Wait, network. I'm back.
Call him back.
Hello, sir. Okay, on now.
Yeah. Governor, good evening, and good evening all your viewers. Good evening, sir. Actually, I've been following the trend this morning about the post Ogechi Njaka made, and sincerely, I don't know who Ogechi Njaka is, and I've not met her in person. She has not met me in person, and actually, I brought money social media and after na social media. I am ogologo. And as it stands, I don't want us to be dragging this matter. Okay, Jpac.
Hello? Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, sir.
The fact remains that we are all brothers, and Ogechi Njaka is our sister. Only mom personally knows the kind of life I am living. Jpac is my brother. Mom will make Ogechi Njaka wait for Jpac. Thank you, sir. They have their differences. They have their misunderstanding. It's left for two of them. They are two adults. It's left for two of them to resolve their matter within themselves. But bringing different people that he has not met into this matter, despite the problem you have with Jpac, you understand. Despite misunderstanding between her and Jpac, it's not wise at all. It's not wise. But I would just advise her as a sister, as our own person, that she should please not let that part, because it's not a good thing for her. Onye bụrụ nwanne ya bụrụkwa n'odogu. Ịghọtago? Na-anụ ọgwụ gbuo nwanne igbuo nwanne gị n'ụzọ ịnata n'ụlọ ya bụrụ nwanne gị. No matter how I swear to so why outside. What puts us together still holds us together. So I'm not na bamba na Facebook. I'm a little bro so I want with the Igbo na-ege okwu a. Ndị Hausa na-ege, ndị Yoruba na-ege. The whole world is watching it. So it's not best for us to watch our dirty linen outside. I've been watching a lot of comments and other people. I don't hold anybody. Anybody is entitled to his or her opinion. For the fact that a lot of people who knows me know na mabro mmadụ nwanyị. I don't do that. Jpac is my brand ambassador. And the more mgbe ya mekogori ihe nwanyị for once. I have never done that. We have never. Money had ikwu nwanyị. So where all these things are coming from is where I don't know. But because Ogechi Njaka, I pray that she'll be listening to this live video and know that more put Siman Glover abroad they war. Abroad also. But I am a woman. I'm a outside. There are better ways to resolve this matter. And you're a mother, you're a sister. na-emere ihe otu a ezinụlọ na-enwere nwaanyị ọkatakata na-adị ya mana ezinụlọ nwere nwaanyị udo na-adị ya because ụmụ nwoke nwere ike na-eti ka etigbu nsogbu ọnya bụ nke nwaanyị na-asị mba na ya makwanụ n'ụba anyị na ya nwerekwana ebe ọzọ ịghọta na ya ma nkwakọrọ na ugwu awụsa ma ọgbakọrọ na the south west n'ọba anyị ka anyị nọ so n'iwu nwanne ezie na ihe na-esepụla anyị biko I pray that I meet Ogechi Njaka one-on-one. You understand? I've been watching her right from onset. I've never spoken to her. I don't know her. You understand? But all she has been beating her chest is that this is what Jpac told her. But even if at that, she shouldn't bring this matter. Because of the sake of the names of people that are involved in it, bring it online. You understand? I've been into real estate for 15 years. I've done it back to back. By the grace of Almighty God, and nobody follow my on social media. This is my first time. Made almost laugh on social media. But I just want to die because I don't want it to escalate. Governor, I'm your fan, and I've been following you. And with the wisdom God has given to you, I know this matter can be resolved. You understand?
Thank you, sir.
Let peace reign. Because more more and make more wounds, and I need the land to dig more into the secret of Jpac that doesn't want to be out there. So please, because I need a little one. All right, thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. My boss. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, man, publicly. Come on, now do a moderator. Moderator, I go radio caster, they take a call. Thank you, man, publicly. Thank you, man, publicly. See, man, my boss. Thank you very much for your understanding. Hey, man, get a money and they build the trust they build. Once you build trust, you know, so quite super when you believe and the
Jpac, you are the one that told me. You are the one that told me this man that just spoke was a nice man. But you told me exactly what I said. So forget about this, your rapping trust. You can rap it to all this your rapping lying son of a bitch. The man that I just called is a nice man. I will make a video this morning and render my apology for mentioning his name. I could have called him private. Just because of the way he spoke, I will make a video this morning and acknowledge it. But when I get it, you will start to list them too. People need to be very careful with you.
Okay. Ogechi,
I made video and they apologize to the man for not reaching out to him by his secrets. The only thing I'm apologizing. But you said it. But you coming here now to play like a saint. I will accord him that respect and I will do it publicly. But many more is about to come. Wow, because here and they come on. This ex-convict got join any position. I got one piece. Make I not see tomorrow. Anything which wisdom, which peace. No, which peace.
He do nice.
No, which peace. All these demons.
He do nice.
That brought out their own time to come and destroy Akwa for no reason. So
he do nice.
One now who literally destroy it, that person I will hurt you mad. Akwa is not a human being.
Okay, here Melobo, sister Ogechi.
This foolish thing. Tomorrow, he get better on it. Sorry for keeping you here for long.
It's okay, sister. Okay, it's okay.
No,
Dalu, I've been listening to Sisi Abido. In fact, I've been your follower for years now, and Sisi Abido, I've been listening to everything. I more abukwa follower Jpac, but I unfollowed him recently because he unfollowable. Amagum onye Jpac bụ nwụrụ gị na onye ọbụla nọ na blue app a nọ na Facebook nọ ma anywhere onye ọbụla blue app ma onye bụ onye anyị ma Jpac ịghọta mala oge. So anybody si na ọ chọrọ ikwu the truth, no problem, it's up to that person. But ihe nna ayọ gị bụ biko ka ibutue ọ bụ ma Jpac o mejọ ekili m that video. I remember when that thing was happening. Ihe your father ọ dị wrong. And onye ọbụla na-abịa ayọ gị butu ebe a na-agwaro Jpac the truth si na ọ ga-apụta ya Ogechi biko ma for use papia wee gbasaga na online mana onye ha chọrọ ikwu okwu because ihe na-eme actually idozi ihe bido from isi mmiri ebe ihe ahụ nọ wee gbalụọ like ije na mmiri kịta mmiri chọọ ịgbalụ ọ na-ebido n'isi gbalụrụ wee gbadata n'ọkpa mmiri. So ọ bụrụ na achị idozi ya si bido from the beginning, like si bido from the main person, the culprit. Ha emeziri akọ dịka a ga-asị na na sister Oge just nọgide bịa na-agba saga. No, enwere ihe trigger Oge o ji wepụta bido ihe a niile a na-eme. Ha ebugazina ya to religious war. Like I don't like to be connected to anything religion because ihe abụrụ ihe religious war because at the end of the day the truth is glaring. And what is that truth? The truth is that no gate is in Ibupute papia, which only open a man, he made such videos. So every other thing non akuko this is secondary. The primary thing with that video, and which the truth there was that you need to apologize to this lady for years back, Macron papia. And that is the truth. Every other person was like an appendage. That's not the truth. The truth is so open. So let us look at the truth. But the thing is that let us tackle the truth. And what is that truth? Let us be truthful in all these things. What happened? What triggered Oge? Where did this thing start from? It started because now Ogechi Jpac years back, which she kept for Jpac, and now she has unfolded everything. So what do we expect Jpac to do? Is to come out and beg this lady, or we are make peace with this lady, or make a peace with Oge. Then because if I were to be Jpac's wife, what I would have done, I made that video because that video is a slight on all the women now abroad. Those things are not the main thing. This smart. If you not digging new marriage, na digi na mad in a problem. What you would have done, calm your husband down, bring peace to this people. Ogechi settle with you, he can Ogechi down as a new wife Jpac. Despite in Ogechi you can as well come and quench this matter without this matter have escalated to this level. Video my dear, why nobodo ibona sick? I na ego. We can buy your generation. I na ego. So that is not a problem. The problem is that you are not an intelligent lady to handle this. Because when you be an intelligent lady, you wouldn't have done that video email. You in fact do what Jezibalo kutinye na the whole the fuel no lo mi does that video me. But anyway, that's by the way. Ian na yogi sister biko amam na this video. A lot of people put an app this man put an app in a video. Not for what? People have a problem. You're not supposed to be one-sided. But one mad you putting like the lady. You're not supposed to come out openly now social media. You not your major. She doesn't know you from anywhere. You're not mad in problem. It doesn't be a bully and we are always now sister Oge face onya as no large on a pali mad on him. Man, no one trigger the lady. You guys are the ones triggering her. Other man now. Those things are immaterials. Because we all have different personalities in life. When they you know, they are always on their lane, maintaining their boundaries. But when you look for their trouble, you can't go scot-free. And I believe Sister Oge is one of them. She has never, I've been following her for years. I've never seen her look for people's problems.
My dear,
we all know the truth. All this misogyny, all these men now love wine, now that like especially all these because when they believe now women now they are lower
I don't believe a woman can be this.
The truth remains that this lady had drama and don't escalate the lady, and that should be handled, that should be tackled, there should be the honest in this. Every other thing na cause the welum back itinye na ewelu brother bukatinye na welum katinye, those things also gather the whole world. What is the main thing bidolo okwu, which is na iwoputelu papia ni rapu dead nwoke mmadụ ifo nwolu maka covid iwoputa weli ana agbasaga onwere onye ọ ga-abụ ka ọ dị mma n'obi na. So ihe melu n'ihe anyị na-ebu Sister Ogechi biko ndị be anyị si onwe like nwoke apụta na akọ na ya bụ onye Enugu amarom. This thing is not about Anambra, Enugu, Imo, JM, Ibonyi, this and that. It doesn't matter where you come from. Truth does not define where you do. It doesn't want to know where you're from. Truth is truth, because it makes no difference. The difference is what comes out of you. How do you say this thing? Those things are irrelevant. What is relevant in this case is that how do we tackle this thing? Peace as in Igbo. Jpac material. Let us say the truth. And how do we do? Jpac has to come and muke or no muke. I'm a mere hand and men and cake and muke get seputavia your way because no one ko be man hakacha and make all this the gender inequality. All problem Hagane when now Hagane Jaguanas, a gap tabia your wine because you cannot come and beg a woman. She's a woman. You cannot beg her. And for peace to reign, okay, I stand with you. For peace to reign in this case, Jpac must apologize. But na yogibu biko because only one thing this man now, which is a very peaceful man.
Very. I have men. Yes. My house a made to good labor. Yes. Hello.
He's a very peaceful man. He's a very peaceful man.
Hello. Hello. Fuck.
Only one thing I respect. We all have to respect this man now. Man, one thing everybody got mabona. Give my Ogechi. You spirit, you know.
Yeah. Good morning.
Okay. I am brother from South Africa.
Okay, cool. I don't hear you in there.
Yeah, thank you, man.
I didn't matter.
Yeah, I am Jpac this morning. I woke up and I found out your live program.
Yes, sir.
I won't Igbo. Only problem I will try to line at home. That will be a very big problem to us. In Japan now, because some people now say, Ogechi will respect, you will regard for people. But in Japan, I just want to correct something. Omope character, he displayed it this morning. There's a man that called the program. I think that man was the man Jpac told you something. That was Human Global.
Yeah.
After the man spoke, he would voice the mind you spoke, he would the wisdom the mind you spoke, and the thing touched you immediately.
Exactly.
The same Ogechi the man you spoke. You said that you are going to make a video to apologize to this man.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
The
problem is that
in the program.
My brother.
Yes.
My brother, you know, the problem I bring, my problem I hear. We have refused to understand this thing.
We will regard for somebody. And you can correct some people. Now that
Amara, hold on. Where my brother?
Yes. But do you see the way? You see the way Israel put those walls after the man who put you auto sharing our home. Even if auto sharing, you say that you are going to apologize to that man. That only you know there, because all you made it bear way. And only one thing, most of our people, they are supporting Jpac, have not even told Jpac. Let me say it here. You this word, oh sorry, it's a fine word, but only hear a lot. It is a lot. And you'll be lamented on this. And all who know Gabu will be a dear man. Even sustain, I will not take it easy. Even if you say, Jpac, we should cooperate.
Okay.
Iga, Ebe, the left father on a lying state, move around with that picture. People here na social media. People are not even talking on that.
They are
in Igbo. And you also in Igbo. People are not even talking on that one. People are not even reminding Jpac.
Exactly.
Actually, all this lady apology. He owe her a public apology because all you about this thing, and you understand this. Jpac, can you come out and apologize? Apologize to this woman, apologize to the dead father. All this problem. They are not inviting him. Can you do this very simple thing? Apologize to her.
And they posted the lady.
All these things and yet don't forget to know that no we're a brand. You forgot to know that no we're a brand. And what after all these ones? Do you think that other people will give him that contract on a shop? All these people now, making withdraw all these ambassadorship here. He's a social media man. How about you not dragging this way? Very simple thing that he's going to do. Very simple thing. Okay, my sister, I'm sorry. If I did this, I'm really sorry.
Yes. And that is it. All these things that ended.
Against you because he's apologized to you. But people forget to advise him to do that. And now, one of things, because in Ghana, you'll be seeing a lot of things.
They're saying not possible. No more my brother, I request you again. Your network did not allow me to bring you in. Sorry, continue, my brother.
Yeah. You'll be seeing a lot of things. You can a lot of things.
A bit of it,
He failed to understand. That his person is saying the damage for his brand. He failed to understand that.
Jpac is busy giving them 500 to come and defend him.
I just apologize to you because you take all. Actually, that is very bad. All the very, very bad. I would deal with when they see me, sorry. Say I'm sorry, apologize. Very simple thing, anybody mad. And then one mother the picture. Okay, enjoy the picture. No one knows them naka. Simple, you're gonna work, you're gonna see me. Than all this bullet in Puru. Even bullet,
Ogechi arrest. Ogechi Bata. And when the Senate did the repetition against me, if Ogechi come in, they will arrest me.
Okay, my sister, brother Madi could take turn off my Uchukugazegi. Okay, Chico.
Okay.
Okay. Ihe kampo oge biko ige jinwayo jilunwayo ihe melu bụ na onye ọbụla mana Jpac chọrọ go okwu and he's not handling it wisely mana at the same time biko ọkwa ụmụ nwanne ka ijili nwayọ nwere ụmụ since ifu dịla iwe ihe a na-ewe m because just like this our brother kwu ihe a bụ just simple thing gali end go sense the first video ime pịa ọkpọ gị yowa gị biko mpụta mee video Ogechi biko ana m ayọ gị ihe ahụ melụ mgbe agha it was an oversight. I'm sorry that I sagad your late father biko ihe niile end ya mana imago na ego socha egbu anyị pride and ego socha egbu human beings onye nwa bụkwa ihe na-eme okwu a ji na-aga this level but at the same time biko my sister nwanne nke mmadụ our queen our lovely sister onye ọbụla mana even ihe okwu maka this late guy na ọ na-akpọ ihe ụmụ nwaanyị nke ihe niile na unveil ebe a bụ ya nwa gwara gị ya because you are not a spirit to know these people ya nwa na-agwa gị ya but imago na okwu daa n'okwu onye ọbụla azọba isi ya ịghọta but at the same time biko jiri nwayọ butuwe our lovely one butuwe biko anyị mekwa anyị malụkwa otu anyị nọ na olukwechi na anyị n'onwe ihe melu anybody anyị ebewekwa na anyị eluzikwa ụnyaahụ maka ewepụ ọma nzuzi oke ụdọdọbi ọma nzuzi akechibi ọma mbụ the same so ihe nọ n'ime ya bụ biko onye ọbụla bili onye bili ma ibia bili ama m na o mejọgo gị biko butuwe our lovely sister but ọ bụ na Jpac na ekili vidio ọ bụla onye ma ihe ya malụ ka ọ ga-esi bịa make a peace with you ka ihe niile end ya because the more ọ na-apụta na-eme this annoying video the more ọ na-trigger gị and he will never expect you not to react ịma ntị mmadụ esi anyị ebe na akwa ọ dịrọ possible so biko I advise Jpac or whoever na-ekili video ma onye Jpac bụ biko Jpac you are our brother stop at this point behave like a man quench this fire let this fire not stop at this point ị ga-emechakwa ọbụkwa na ikwenchiro fire now ị ga-emechakwa regret ya ihe in future ana ha agwa gị na ime iko ndị na-aja gị ọ gị chọrọ oge okwu you have to come and beg her you have to come out and beg her stop at this point biko onwere ihe eji nsogbu eme nsogbu a na-enye mmadụ ọbala anyị bụ ụmụ nwanne onye ọbụla bili onye bili biko na ọra ka ọgwụ m otu a ka ọra m n'ọnụ sister Oge biko ka nna ayọ gị biko my lovely sister I know it's very painful I understand you so much maka onye ọbụla mụ nwa my father ngwa onye ọbụla were ọbụkwa ya nwa onwere onye ọ ga-abụ onwe mmadụ ga-eme gị ọbụla a dent in your heart but at the same time biko anyị ga-ebutu ka ijiri nwayọ ka ijirizie nwayọ ka amalụ ka a ga-esi eziwe ihe a but onwe ọbụla na-abịa agwa gị ga-ekwuzi na ọ bụrụ na Jpac apụtabe bịa ya gị biko onye ahụ ada emeti ya ndị ọbụla ga-agwa Jpac okwu ha gwa okwu ya pụta ya bịa ya ọgụ ọma ka ọ ga-esi ọ bụla ịkpọ gị na ọma ka ọ ga-esi setụlụ ọgwụ onwe ndị ọ ga-esend otu ọbụla a ga-esi setụlụ okwu a si setụlụ razie ya at this point so that we don't go further okay
thank you.
Hello? Good morning.
Morning, sir. How are you? Morning, sir.
I'm okay. Keki me.
Odimma, sir. Kekwen.
Odimma. Ewiye nwere ikwu n'okwu a. Ewiye ndị be anyị na-asị ka njiri asụsụ ba amarọ mmega anụ ndị be anyị na-adịsị na nkịta na-agbọkarị n'ime ndeli a na-afụ ya azụ nkịta ara mana mbọsọ ya agbọ ya ara ya amalụ ịma na ihe na-eme n'iru dị social media a na-afụtọwe ya azụ nọ ihe dịbụ eme like the other time afọ ebe mmadụ si Ogechi bụ ya ala ọ na-agbọka ọ na-etika mkpu ọ na-ekwuka chefuzie that na o nwere ihe mere ewe ji bee nwee my point wee bụrụ otu ọbụla o si na-eri egbu apịrị apị anyị ncha niile bụ ofu biko ka m na ebe a na-ayọ na-asị ka isi na wee mee ya ka egbubie ya ka akpụkọta ya nso first of all Oge ịnidiri ka apologize to you n'eziokwu were onye ọ ga-abụ ka ọ ga-abụ etie ihe aza nwanne anyị nwaanyị said ịma ntị nwata ihe si weta ebe na-akwa mmadụ ka oge ihe ị ga-ebe akwa besi akwa ike gwụwa n'ihe ị na-ebe bụkwa akwa ndị mmadụ a na-anụ onu gị ihe dịzara ha ime bụ ịjụzi gị ka ihe ị na-ebere akwa ka ihe ị na-etiri mkpu na dị social media dragging onye ahụ ga na-ekwu ya fere ọnụ right ya ọnọ ya o kwesịrị ikwu ya na o mere nka chifu dat na onye ahụ ị na-egbubi imeji mmadụ ka ị na-ataminate so injin ekwu bụ na oge asị gị mee ihe ka isi wee wenye aka ị ga-cross boundary, ị ga-emekarị, ị ga-emefe yourself were ga-ajụ gị, you know, but ofu ihe niile nna ya oge ọ dị ka one man kwuru okwu ebe a think si mangrovers na ezinụlọ ọbụla nwaanyị na-anọrọ na-akpa ụka aghasa aghasa and eziokwu imekwa nke ihe eme ijikwara azụ nne because ịbụ nne as he said ịbụ nne ịbụ sister ịbụ abịakwa na nke nne ị ga-epray the Lord, ị ga-eme nke mee nke ọzọ, biko ụkọta ya nso ụtọ ọbụla Jpac esi na mejọ oge anyị ncha niile bụkwa na ụmụ nwanne ofu mmiri aka nọkwa n'ite asụ Jpac ọya na mbara ngị na onwe gị ọya na mbara efugo. So biko ihe nọrọ ebe a abụrụ dị n'ọkụ si dị, biko ka m na-ayọ ihe ọbụla ọsọ ya bụrụ ka e kwuru because all these things niile na-eme ịma na onye oke okwu ada ama mgbe o ji ekwu ma nke asịsị ekwu na ma nke asịsị ekwuo mgbe gị na Jpac na-atọ ọ ga-adị mean open no mouth na-agwa gị ihe niile but at this stage na ọ dịzie ka gasị na ị na-ebodo ya, you know. So biko oge ihe nna ebe a na-ayọ gị bụ ọ bụrụ na ọ ga-ekwe ma Jpac ayọrọ gị ma Jpac ayọghọ gị ma Jpac asị gị gbagharị ma Jpac asịghọ gị gbagharị, as far as na anyị ncha niile bụ ndị Igbo, anyị ncha niile bụ nwanne, biko ọ bụdị na onwe ndị ka ga-ekwu na-ekwubero just kọtụ na ate ya ekwuzina ka akpawagodi udo na nke ekwuru ekwu. I think na if voice go out enough for people to hear your voice, you know. So biko ma okwu niile ma kọmentị niile ma ihe niile ị ga-erutekwa bụ na ọ bụrụ na azụ nne Igbo iwere aka nne tie nwata ihe iwere aka ekpe kpọghata ya azụ doo ya ọdụ mekwara ya ihe kwesịrị emere ya. So biko ka nna ayọ gị na-asị gị ụtọ bụ na o si na wee dị nwanne anyị nwaanyị si na edobie ụdọ kechie ya na ụdị ezuzu ezu, which is true, ụdị ezuzu ezu ama m na even ọbụna godi na Jpac ayọ gị that relationship ewego gap. So biko ka nna ayọ gị na-efolokwa gị na-efolo Jpac ever since ya niile bido ma mgbe nke ya ọdadị ma ihe niile na-afụta ha ncha niile mana biko even if it's not for any other thing for the sake of nwaanyị ọ nụrụ ọfụ ka ọ mee ya enjoy, biko ka nna ayọ gị nwanne mmadụ ezigbo nwaanyị
for the sake of nwaanyị ahụ lụrụ ọfụ ikwuru ka m ụka gị niile a jiri gbaa m zero. Did you hear what I said?
I hear you.
Here now for the time thing you put for the sake of nwaanyị ọ lụrụ nga ahụ ka ụka gị niile gwara m na jiri gbaa zero. I'm not even listening to what you're saying. Everything all you kwuru na ala me. Maka I have to be honest with you. Let me be honest with you. Ana m agwa gị mpame nwụrụ anwụ obuputere. Who is nwaanyị ya? Onye nwaanyị if I may ask you. Onye nwaanyị? Onye na-eme unu some of you Igbo men. You know what kichipu ya ma ọ bụrụ na ọrịrịọ m ọrịọ hụ m and you think I will accept that? My brother, I no go me here. Thank you. Bye-bye. Na kwuo na-ekwu biko.
Oh, ndị akpasola gị iwe Chineke nke onye ọbụla na ya gị biko. Ihe mụ a na-ekwu ụta anụ m na dịmanụ kwuru ezigbo okwu to kwuru ezigbo okwu ya dete mgbe ametọ gị onye na-ama onye nwaanyị m na-edebe onye na-ama onye ewu ga na-ekwu ihe ọbụla ha kwesịrị ikwu because ha ama onye ewu iwu somebody na-alụ a friend ị na-alụ a friend ọgụ ruo enyi
mba hapụ emega ekwuwa nke a one different game emega ekwuwa emega ekwuwa biko mba ekwula na emega ekwuwa mba emega ekwuwa na okwu ga anaghị ebi biko okay ka tinye gị na speaker mgbakwuwe.
I want to greet everyone here. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Yeah, actually, Kwimana, as no ena marebe ni rosu. Ochowe busine. Okuya. So many times people lack wisdom. Don't matter lack of wisdom. And wisdom is one of the keys, weapon you can use to win battle without, extending the battle. The people leave the main thing, we are about the foundation of the matter. So passage no kuna about this. Very simple thing. He caused this thing. Ogechi is not a program person. Ogechi is actually one of the most meekest person I have seen. And people have mystified. So with this man on our phone, look at what he said. Uzbo. Even Akwa also create that you know. Yes, now soft words, which is anger. People all over the world that a sea man or be a born that man, I'm family. It's a very nice family, that man. And no kuputeli, no kuputa or the guy said, Ogechi Okeke who is something senior gave me video project for you people to know that Ogechi doesn't know anything about these people, that it is Jpac. Everything he says is truth. As long as Ogechi, if you are not it has nothing to do with you. If you don't make a business with you, you are not. She believed in truth because she was born by truth, and what I've been keeping her in the whole world, battle my kingdom, my anguish, my divya name, or stand there. People should sit down and question and say, there is something about this woman. She's a child of grace, working for grace, and anyone that grace is carrying is undefeatable, is unconquerable, is unkillable. You want to go or die? What if rather? The people that rose against her will keep on facing disgrace. Secondly, the thing Jpac Amaron and Dano and Ophelia, the Hanon has on our church. Church now, but the more on Patasika like this Kwashoko person and governor or whatever. That's what they said on the more Hano they make video, the more more problem. Come as somebody free and I say carry phone and call this your sister. Tell her that you are sorry. Makanoya from beginning all the many times only really too much. So you open up people who see money open and the truth. Two ways about it. And anybody potassium, so apologize. Yourself. The worst thing that woman get here and so many problems because man vat on God never waiting for pastor at all. So nobody should know that Ogechi is a mantle of the Most High God. A time come one day we explain that Ogechi is a mantle and daughter of the Most High God, and God man any battle around her, God is back on her up. No two ways about it. And another thing, the Zion should know we have a feel mother. Especially that God raised her to defend that ministry, not only Zion self, Christendom. The whole Christendom in Nigeria, no prophet, no bishop talk. Ogechi stood out to say, if I perish, I perish, like in the days of Esther. She stood out. The whole Christendom in Nigeria, watch it. She was the one that rose up to defend Christianity in the whole Nigeria and social media. And people are the whole Christendom should celebrate her, honor her, because she's like a Deborah of our time and the Esther of our time. For those that claim to be spiritual, if they are truly spiritual, they will know what is going on and what I'm talking about. God bless you, daughter of God.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Because come for my mind. I talk my mind.
Go ahead.
Ndi Ibaya. I am memekota here with them. Had the very wicked. Governor Nyasha. Shalamatanga Mabuya one day. Oya ne jinja Jpac. Uwego nyozo. Only kokwele nkwa contract. Oya ne jinja Jpac. Nobody. Because you only kwa no get line. Apart from Simano Kuroku, King does a kuchoku hane end up. Follow me, Hana followers. But they will not trigger the main thing. Follow me. Only the disappointed unke barrister Hakboro, Derakuoku, Ihokuru, Hana in a way, Kahwa brother Bukobi, Kaoputaku, when you get Haneku, Bikekuzuloku back me, which the man will not.
He can hear the barrister Kurginiko.
ọ nọ na-akrak Chineke ekwekwenu ka o mee okwu 2 seconds ya akrak ya ha ewepụ ya okwugo okwu ọ na-akrak netwọk adịghị but nke o kwuru okwu is not what I don't like what he said owo otu esi ajọjụ ọ dị ka ọ pịasuru gị pịasukwe ha bịa na-akọ onye ọbụla na-eso onye ọbụla fili na ọwụ Zion ekwesịghị na-ekwute anything bad about Zion na public na ọ dịghị like that so I was like ihe onye a kwesịrị ikwu Emeka ncheki ya
chere ka m nugodi ihe o kwuru onweghị mmadụ a ga-anọfọ n'ụwa nke a
ị chọrọ ikpe peace ka ị na-ekpela one side
if he mention my ya
gee ọfụma before ka ikwuwe ọha nwe Zion ọbara na-apụta Zion ka ị hụrụ ndị saga njuru nga na
which of the video Uncle Osho life with Barrister Nnamdi Oyama
yes Barrister Nnamdi
Oyama with the life okay
I have some questions I would like to ask.
Go front.
I would like
how many minutes
ọ na-akrak bido n'isi ewe mgbe ọ kpọbatara
second one. So please help me share this video. Click the love and like button. They are reporting. The man is busy schooling all of us. They are busy reporting the live broadcast because they wouldn't want it to be there.
Don't
reporting this page. We are only trying to place some I have some questions. These questions they will be like a guide to me, to all of us, and I open it.
Go ahead.
Okay. Yeah. Wayoma, thank you so much. Ihe dị na-agwa gị na ozugo. Onye na-ekwu ozugo niile na ọ bụ na ọkwa nke ya ka a na-ekwu ọ ga-ama the pain. You understand? Mụ na gị chọọ ịgba war. Ọ bụ na ịgba obele war, ịmadụ inye chance for peace tomorrow. Mana Jpac gara ịga agba war, wepụta ihe oche na finishing ka ọ na-achọ ịpịa gị ka ọ pịa gị finish once. You understand? So now, unfortunately for him, ọ pịa gị the finishing, then gị nwagazie wotu aka ebe bụ na ị na-apịa na-apịa source of income, na-apịa source of joy, na-apịa source of ihe niile once. You understand? So even if I'm even looking at some of this peace talk, na ihabu agent peace talk, na afọ na ọ na-ehit ebe dị very dangerous. So ọ bụ na Jpac feel na ọ na-resign from Facebook FBI, na isi ajụgo ya oyi, na ofugo work amụlie down. He need to come out open now, at least. Yes. Open na peace at this point now. We have achieved one thing by Imagodina. One year on our front up and down, a jegoje response. I phone bully pelumpe. So if that is the only thing we achieve from all these things, nya pota bia your peace talk. Otinyo onu de mma. You understand? He did it on his own. He should own it up. Bia showa peace. Obuho ane ukwu nozgo. Nwanye, obuna nwanye the smart, may video the smart. I got congratulate Nyambelu Gaba. Obuna nwanye ma agbasaga tolo. Okay, hold the ground. But unfortunately, one year be about war. Full comment section, no nyobuna na bali no bully. Everybody now when a silent here the better. You understand? So all these things, Jpac, obuno Jpac ke danye na care for dragging. Iho ga drag.
I swear.
Ozugo. A na-ekwu ozugo sef mgbe ahụ o nwere ike oje kpute okpu ndị sabat ya yite gam atụalụ drama ọ ga-atụle gị nke sabat atụalụ gị so isi epege mpe now and at this point ọ bụ na ọ dị smart which he is not and unfortunately if you are not smart ị kwesịrị inwe smart people around you ọ bụ na ịnụ nwaanyị ịnụta onye dị smart nwere ike inye gị idea kali help gị mana unfortunately onweghị na-enye that smart idea at this point na o kwesịrị isi underground ọchịokwu ada achị onye kalilie ịchọta onye kalili gị iwolukwa style dodge adịghị so ọ nọ na-eme all this thing kịta ada I believe na ị nwere more things ọ gwara gị iwepụtabeghị enwere ike ọ bụrụ na ị ka hapụ that one for emewe damage control ka isi ebe ahụ wee cover ba image ya fọrọ afọ mana o nwere ka ọ ga-esi megheligide kịta source of income ya niile anụ ihe secret ya na akpakwala
Akwa ga-ama nke wụ eziokwu.
anụ nke ya na onye akpalụ onye
Tima na
ka
ọgwa ga-ama nke wụ eziokwu. Hapụ ka
if na ọ ya emegide sef oje police station onye kala ibel ya ọ bụ na ọkọgo secret ya na onye ahụ ọ nọte aka na police station. So oge pistok a ka ezie ga-eme Facebook ọ na-atọ ụtọ FBI bịa lụọ FBI ya na
ọ dị ka yesterday Jpac nọ
Daalụ ụmụ nwanne m.
Good morning. The only good person nwere bụ gọvanọ. Achịchịrị ka m kwuo okwu fọm echefuo nke a. Ọ nọ na-ekwu yesterday na life ya the only good person nwere na this place after my wife wụ gọvanọ eziokwu oziashi. Mgbe ahụ ọ nọ na-ekwu datin oge mgbe ọ nọ na-ekwu datin agbara first son apụta Ebonyi first son apụta dey na the comment ihe o dere Jpac ahụ dị tim ya sị biko ewere nke m kwuru kwuju onye ọbụla gbagha unu ewere ya unu etekere ya personal ama na m na-ele ha unu etekere ya personal okwuzi nke gbasara general ị ga-ahụ Ebonyi son aga ekwu anything okwuzi nke favor Ebonyi son apụta dere ya onye ọ na-epreze agwụla gọvanọ Ezeashi ọgwụlụ ka ha pụta dị ndan enweghị ha na-again from Jpac ha maka eziokwu but they are getting something from him. I mean, ha chọrọ ịgwa eziokwu Akwa ga-atọgbu nke ahụ one day n'ime ọhịa ọ na-agbakarị ndị ahụ they know what they are doing. Antikwuwe biko.
Okay. Onwe ihe ọ na-ekwu ka should I say what I want to say more?
Okay, Gaba, go. Don't worry, go.
Okay, so now, ka onye a ga-ebido kpọrọ akpọrọ onwe onye Jpac pick golo on a fight with on a fight gide mee ebele on anything no follow like ihe a na-eme akịta this is just coming back to him and me and many others believe that na Jpac only na-eli ike eli ihe niile a na-ekwu na o mere ọ dị nwere 92% possibility no
anything bad
ọ bụ na ọ ma na o hit wege badly then open apology afia na o tinye open apology mana even o tinye open apology sef ọ nidile ịdị fast because nwunye na complicate kwu issue iji nwaanyị ga-amapụ aka ya obi kịta ya afụgo na nwaanyị gị sef enweghị ụkwụ imagine ide nwunye odogwu enweghị ihe ọ
na-arụ business ọ chọrọ imepe advertisement
my sister somebody sent me a message ịhụna that ya wụrụ na seaman ụna chere ka mpụ n'okwu na my sister allow me to talk biko. Somebody sent me a message. Basara Seaman. Ya wanna put a hoku na akara mi screenshot and only my ofoma. You see this life, Oja dem my holine mekane kwejoku. They know that everything I said. Any them they the truth.
They know.
They know. Now this person now anyway. I'm a man a but to see man, my brother, I know you say you follow me, you watch me. Be very careful with Jpac. No matter how anybody coming to do damage control, I know personally what this man told me. Look at if I lie, look at this here Mokogana. You want to go? But I will just respect your privacy. I don't want to cost me. Because of the way you spoke.
Exactly.
I will just respect your privacy.
He's a good
God
man.
in heaven,
He's a good man.
A man knows everything I'm saying is nothing but the truth.
Everybody know.
What I go? All the big men that having anything to do with Jpac, if you guys are not careful. Anyway, I'm coming. I'm in talking that I'm coming.
I trust.
More damages will be done because I'm an that say. And when anything look at, I don't want to go further because of people.
Yes.
But only just anyway. Let me hold my peace because I can see you're a man of peace. But stay away from Jpac. Stay away from Jpac. Stay away from Jpac. That guy will ridicule you. Mark my words. Because I want no business knowing anything happening, whatever you guys are doing. No matter any damage control I gave me, people know that what I'm saying is nothing but the truth.
Yes.
What can
Look at the damaging information. But let me be, like I said, I'm a renderagi apology for not reaching out directly. Look for your number. That is the only. But
yeah.
Continue.
Everything. Busara skibo nishina. But chefu te skibo shikwoku. Skibo kuroku nke foro honfo. Onye na-ekwu chọchọcha. Wode maka ihe a na-amere nka skibo jikwu ihe chọchọcha. That means Jpac ekwuole no chọchọcha ka nwaanyị before. Akwa ha niile na-anọ na table. Ọ ma na onye chọchọcha. Jpac even mgbe ọ na-apụta, he talks like woman. He talks too much. Ọ na-eche echiche before kwuwe.
Biko correct anyị ikwu now. Good women don't talk anyhow. No, he doesn't talk like a woman. He talk like he's just a careless person. No. Good women, because it could be or this generally no more talk anyhow. We have good women. We have women who have self-value, self-worth. They don't talk anyhow. Yes. Okay, now the thing I want to say here, just like Sister Ogechi, the man, we all listened to the program. The man spoke very well. He spoke so intelligently. He's a very smart man. You know what he has done? Okajigo Sister Ogechi now. The man stylishly casually Sister Ogechi so that Sister Ogechi will not bring out more proof. Yeah, Jpac call because Sister Ogechi our spirit. Our spirit him a lot of things. Bomb everywhere. But the thing is that the man is too intelligent. Okajigo Sister Ogechi, which is okay. We accept that. Sister Ogechi, respect him. He's a very nice man, okay? He spoke very respectfully. So let us accord the respect back to him.
Exactly.
That's by the way. Yes. But another thing is that when this last only one man the man was saying for what a bullshit. Lower and the gender but nothing. If that is a representative of wine, then that is not wine. Because if she's a smart lady, she would have put an end to all this. These things wouldn't have escalated to this level.
Oh yeah,
maybe as a woman, and before what you were supposed to have done, be quench the whole fire. You can reach out to Ogechi. Sister Ogechi, become one. I am so sorry. I'm begging you on my knees. Please. Ogega, she did not do that. I Opotaibiame program. Biabido kwa biabido gaslight woman bia ndi na na ekponsi n'obodo Igbo. For her information, offer those away job obodo Igbo of one also. Afienye ya visa obodo Igbo. I na-ekponsi and we are proud of it. IGP na alọpụtakwunye na support kwa ndị di anyị. Na-emekwa ihe a na-eme obodo na-move. Without us, the head will not move. We are strong neck to the men. And we are proud of it. We are proud of it. Okay? Hello?
Hello, after that.
Okay, good morning from here.
Yeah, you know what I speak out.
Is that right? I'm actually better with my account.
Yeah, that's what kind of here.
So we come to contribute to my video.
Okay, go ahead. Will it touch you?
Okay, because we didn't get into good morning from here. Because my sister, one thing or can be nna m site kwuru ya kwudebe ụwa ahụla na ike akwụrụla ebe Jpac na amakwudebela. That told them who have known now that this guy is nothing but a gossiper. Now this guy, without being told, I watched people, I watched his comments, that everything he wasn't there. He hadn't the Anayamation against the other. Then how did you know, if not Jpac, that told you about that? So, but at least when you hear and follow up something somebody is saying, you understand that he was even surprised. How did he hear the movement of honor that very guy? So, but we just don't want to spill more about the lifestyle of that guy. So the lyrics not cool. If you read, because I always say that maybe the way married to cool. What baffles that guy? How did you know? How this guy Abuja movement of Israel that thing? So to tell you, the hammer that guy is a pure gossiper. I'm not specific or Brumoke. All I do is you could or tear very, very bad. They see no name the talk and blow you specifically about some of the people who mentioned their name to you. I will play to you. See you go to those sides for now. Go to about calling much names because some of these guys still the lot of our Igbo guys' name, which he has come in contact with. He has said a lot about them. And we are not that it's not only Igbo people is watching your program. Other tribes too is watching your program. The reason why I say so, I posted something, I never knew a South African person can come into my page and commented about congratulations to the Chidema. For you to know that page is Nagapa.
Exactly.
So, when you people tribe now what to this thing, people, a lot of tribes now watch here. Can you people respect here and cover to this our Igbo man Jpac? Because when other tribes, when they are doing business with, here's their name, what Jpac is really rubbishing their name, they will start looking at them like, what is going on? Because him, I have been here before, I can even say, I forgot those remaining names. Even people are possible in life about you, still felt something. You felt what you said once. You felt what you said is true. But the thing when I talk about protected is the name of that guy, Jpac. Sorry, God. And that guy is brand. Let it not be famous. Because I'm going to you on behalf of the many names. I'm begging you. My news are down. It's not other things. Remember that you stand to defend people. You stand to defend so many things. You stand to condemn so many things, which I know you vividly to have been doing. That was the most reason some stupid men, some incompetent men in Igbo land, I put some, not all, stand against it because we are not giving them that road to be fooling our Igbo people or to be destroying our Igbo people. Like the one of the Jimoko group, they were all one yanni. Yeah. I watch it. After 3 minutes, I know you have been standing against all these things. You understand that this is the problem. Maybe you are with today because they are fighting you because of your truth. And I want to see to stand for our people the way you have been standing for them. Please, I plead to you. I forgot the remaining names. Please. And people that this is the kind of name you can talk to. This is not the kind of name you cannot talk to. Like Jpac is among the men who just say, I'm okay. They cannot be dealing with the area of mouth. You don't have a secret of your own. You can't even seal something in your heart. There are some certain things. Your heart will die at it. place to bury that thing. But I'm seeing you don't have that kind of class. Only halal the video put out. I think now, like you know, what collective don't wait for you will think talks a lot. Any man that man to you want to be part of the big man. This is the way. I'm not going to the next dog they choose another big man again. You know, the something you do can you know what to do before. This is the lifestyle of Jpac.
Yeah.
People continue, please, I'm taking my knees are down. For now, be cool. Say what they learn from other people because I'm a lot. I don't need to pure every day if I can go. Okay, I know you.
I go up the block. Even can let you ban church abasa.
I know a lot of things is great. People social media, but because I am kneeling down, ladder, saying because. You could get to play one in Amarana, a dagger is a gossiper. One in Amarana, dagger is a two man character. One in Amarana, a dagger is part of one day. But the song I go for among you, everybody have known you, like a brand, yeah. You have built that brand now. Everybody have on social media, this is his brand. Like you were telling this guy that is here to one young native doctor. Also, I'm to try to I keep asking myself, why can this kind of a stupid joke in our brand be coming out and be threatening people? Him and I'm social media, let's figure out social media like seriously. It's just like people to your own profile. Take it to the profile of your wife. People document your documentation. About your wife. The things you destroy even on social media. Destroy your integrity. Destroy whatever you represent. And any brand that will call you out to represent them tomorrow, you can never amount anything on social media. Because I knew no brand will ever call that guy to stand for them. And we really have to do that guy. Because whenever you do this, a little thing, they are following also. So that is what I found out. And already digitally and you need to come and everyone goes support the because as this thing is going, that guy is going down. Now. I am a born and brought up Igbo woman. I'm so now, but you are now time. And to not give them longer dry. No, China locker. You didn't believe the some of the stupidity of the nation here. If you remember one naira, tell not to be supporting him. Give him the next 6 months. This guy with this. And you didn't supporting him or as he will go down. Believe that the petition will go down as he is going down. I want something to hot job. Come on, if you are Jaluku, can I do sound? Give him all these plans, supporting him now will work out with him. But you don't amount anything because somebody is your friend and I will tell you what your friend is doing. As soon as you are friend to this kind of little man, it's not the role they want as well. Because if you are not a friend that friend to him, you can never behave like him. But because you behave like him, that was what reason you could come together as a strong friend. So because I think he's just like me. And that is why you see them having from the same feather flocks together. And very soon, if that guy is going down, all of them are following him to go down. What will they do? And now we all who is supporting him. When the people are watching, I could be comparing somebody that very criminally cooking. I thought the other person told me, he bounced Jpac and all these people following him. None of them have ever to leave and that contest any election will pass. Because their reputation and who they are not is going to destroy their career and their future in Igbo land. How can you not be the tomorrow like me? You cannot only govern Ethiopia. You never contest any election in the
Akwa saga also.
You said?
Also, I got put election as an oga worle Oga worele senator and ndị saga na-ele isi na-ebu
apụrụ m aka m adọrọkpa m ha anyị ga-etipịa n'uke ya ka ya alala iyi ọredi ka ya alago iyi ọredi ịmana mgbe m gbara ya si iwe ini elekshọn m ekwite Facebook ya eche na Chiamdi Gabriel phone call delete your destiny. You should always be.
It's convict address. What to Uruka or really? I will not have a Jimmy. Why did you know Uruka? Uruka Kadia, the fresh.
You understand? So, Gala. And if you don't know what policy services are doing, unless you will just become a team, only we will get that when you are getting an office around. But if you put a new election on your own with your name, you can't really mistake like that because I heard 2 days ago, you didn't make a politician from you will say to what I was talking about. In a beg of an go and watch your back. I wouldn't listen to you, more green by you a politician, you go, it's a contest, you can never anything you say. You can never contest anything and win. Or this country come to be in social media. You can take social media, and that is the
agent. When I call, no, I appear in your mother.
I need to helping you in a context creating you. I don't believe so much in all those things. Only a grouping of context creating. We know now. The story of all of you guys will know it. I don't want to say what. I need my own role. I'm not pardoning another answer. We know all of you guys. Even I even the group we now. I'm feeling all of you guys clean through Jpac. Like women in content creating groups. I don't want to go far, but let it be for now. Now I come to one Jpac. I know your brain and I come and your mother. You know, one you or one is only a one in Ronia Soya. To start the TV shit, we grow on your own. Because it talks like only Jackass game where only Jackass Bagani Moga, because even of the way you say people, you reason like an animal. Even people for me, like this. Even people for me, even the reason why we don't address like this. It's so why we don't want to go down to Nigeria. I need to Nigeria. This hellfire in a couple. Now, why you don't go now? Now,
onwe nchi nne anti sister mmadụ salary anyị nwa na-ekpo nsi ebe in 1 month ga-ebidolu nwunye Jpac afịa ọ ga-azụ in the next 10 years salary 1 month.
I'm coming. I'm in the process to digress her.
Nonsense.
The same legal social media Jpac that comes every month Facebook. If Facebook stopping you, or YouTube stopping you, or TikTok stopping you, do you think you will eat? You will not. So can you Jpac in investing in somebody? Not so much screenshots, you know, I have longer. I already know. Now we go to Makala Gonaro, and then I will be stupid. In your being reporter, because we are into that marriage. You know the organization, the society you belong to, before Jpac makes you in that arena. I protect from that society, in that organization, people. Even anyone I can't say when you think the things that didn't mean you look at the outcome, you make money and good. And you think when you're going to go, when you're going to that daily work and normal work, when you're work at that time. That is why this one you do what wrong. If I say one has someone do at the wrong, no you can do wrong you think. Don't see one if you say one you do you don't do what wrong.
Odogulu ọ na-eme na ya bụ nwaanyị odogwu odogwu karịa nwunye Obi Kubana. Nwunye Obi chelụnụ na nchelu ọkwa ọ na-eme na ya bụ nwunye odogwu. Nwunye Obi Kubana ọ da-alụ ọrụ ọ nọbụrụ nwunye odogwu.
They change your generation. You change the poverty in your lineage. If you don't see, you cannot do policy where the petition there. You respect for people as well. But you know, every day, so you're addicted in a social media. I don't know if you're working with people to analyze. If you're not there for me, it's to if you're the boss. You have that I am flat. Like when I have no I can think that is that poor because I have brother. I looks like when you're I don't care for crying like this. I didn't already a single lady now look and she claimed what Jpac and log. And then with the Canada. What happened now is
sister, sorry for interrupting you. Why ya na-eme wedding? Ya kporara ni kporara ya ni nepoputelu fada ka fada na-ekiri ara. Of what okay morals dị na arụ that woman. Immediately for that picture wedding, her man onye abịa girl.
Oh, marketing.
Ibulala buputelu.
This pig. He might be the saga and such when I put this pig down. It's such a pig down. After a year, the next 1 minute or two, pig will go back to pick up.
Oh.
You understand? You know what I'm Jpac to open from a 7 o'clock. Open time they have already do one. Where were they? This is how they model their honor for people. They are, I say, I'm going to go on a supplier, even at the church. They go their wedding. Then I'm not the lawyer, sample lawyer, and they are said, it's a lot of Jpac. Then you have it for 1 hour. She will run and go.
Ndị na-enye contract nwere enemies because enemies ya hụ na chọrọ ịzụ datin hụ na onye a na-eme dictin ha aga azụ ndị na-enye ya
a woman that have self-respect, self-worth for herself can never dress like that for her wedding. She can never. The body of a woman is her pride. The body of a woman is her pride. Your wedding day,
my wedding picture. My sister. Doing 6. You come to my sister.
ọrụ na ọkanika ba ha gara ime ya ala
I think I'm doing that. The father do see my classmate in our outside. I think I take out of chair. I need to wedding and make it. I tell you to them, I'm okay. Because I got it in my mind that this day is your day. And the day as you address it now, going to the altar is how people will address you. They will look at you every day. Your best appearance as a married woman at the altar tells how people will address you. So when I came out that very day, I thought before that made it after that, congratulations. You have really sold a symbol of a Christian woman. Your dressing, your bracelet, and your silver bracelet is very nice.
After that, I think I'm gonna happy because I may close very soon.
Jim.
So
Thank you. All right, thank you. All right, you too. Thank you.
Hello? Sister Oge. Oge, nwaanyị na-eme ihe siri ike. My dear, ihe niile a na-ekwu, the only thing nọ n'ime ya bụ biko ka ịmago ihe mụnwa ji ayọ gị biko na my own side bụ at least ihe ọbụla ị na-ekwugodo till mụnwa ka akwụkwọ ebe m kwụ, he must come out to beg you because ihe o mere ga adịrọ mma, is highly unacceptable. And ọ bụrụ na ọ pụta abịa yọọ gị ma ọ malụ ka ọ ga-esi yọtuo gị, that means na ọ ka na-feel like a victim. Yes. While you are the victim, he's now pretending to be the victim. And the only way peace get yes, I did this video and it's against this, it's against me doing what is right. It wasn't good for me to have done this. This family had drama, their dead father and put the picture when I was saga. He has to come out and beg Njaka family, your Ogechi Okeke's family, Omaluka family, you everybody, Niaji sorry, Niamaro, Nimagono Saga, but Niaji sorry, Yabiko. Because he never saw this coming. He thought Naya Hagagu. He thought
my program. Because tomorrow would be D-Day. I'm coming to
Sister Gamma Moni, Baba no way Madu Wakatagi, no why he can make it
I'll see you tomorrow. Thank God that pack moto. Everybody get Billy in the morning to go and move my car.
Okay. Maka your mental health, okay? Just take it easy, okay?
She mental health. Even today, mental health, you put to pay my psychic patients. I'm like, what the fuck? Am I
in my sister give my sister I appreciate no another mental health. You man don't you in your mental health.
Let me tell you. Let me tell you one thing, you know, I'm a psych nurse. I'll be honest with you. You know, mental health, because of your mental health. You can get home, and when you hear, actually get me buy into
the pre.
That's the exact word now. When you get me now, even if today it's my two parents and one, my God forbid,
yes,
my children are one.
God forbid, no, you
no, I'm just want to be actually maybe very severe.
Okay.
Now, including them, it will not happen.
Forbid, yeah.
Do you know that it will hurt me not there, and the next day I will get myself and I will move on. I'll find a way how to settle it. I'm just being honest with you. That's the kind of person I am.
Okay, sorry, Nanjogi, genotype, okay?
Hey.
Oh, all strong people. Blood group one. Ah, okay. Hannah this strong. This strong.
So the reason why I'm jagwag this thing. The life maybe. Now you get hit him with that moment. But after that moment, like now. Okay, hit him mad it organized. You want to go? But after that, after it 24 hours or couples of hours, one day, I'm he got big kuchim like this. I will never feel it again. I will just find it. I will just find a way to solve it. And that thing it make way again, but it will never. I don't know. That's how I'm structured.
Yes, it is strong. Some people are like that.
Like I would also, you know, some of my siblings and I like Okomoko. You know, would they have so much.
No, emotional.
Hey, especially in Ketorom Direct, my sister peace. Otaha Hayaho corner, chopis, or chodin sobu. Even for you, she got think about them 10 years. It was so they avoid me because my mouth no good. Mommy, you got see me show again. You got see me. But if you like to, you tell me my own, I go reciprocate. And then baggy came. Hey. So my sister said, do you think everybody is like you? Each and again, and my sister came me porn go job. All the guys, my husband will not open mouth and tell you bad words. Because something in your lapurapu does not return. But my own logic, your lapurapu progawa or turn or not on bafahumu. Because so my husband don't believe in mouth talking. He believe in black and white.
Okay,
Black and, yeah, give him a change of no, they don't like that. So and my I wouldn't and then they develop a problem, mental health. And when we have an appointment, and we have a mental health, under postponum. Again, we postponum. Nana English, I say back on it. Have a patron because you are just saying on doctrine and depression and in the back and here. I'm the mental health and they look you because you know I'm not saying it's right, it's not real. People can melt down in a minute. I've seen it. I've seen it. Somebody get another mental down. Yeah, be an issue. People go through a lot. Yes. I don't know how people take care, solve their own problem. For me, those things, they and I may be all one thing about me. I know they hear me that time in Kupuhana, I just they pass my way. What I go, I know they remember less more or who only mother say wouldn't be for when I get about war, may register again, but all something like him and any family thing, go see me carry it for mind. Lie. What I go on this Facebook who can jiri she can you one and
Sister mgbe follow gị bụ mgbe gị na keza for this lady no no UK.
Chacha.
Mgbe nke gị na-agba awọ mgbe ahụ wa dị too much.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, someone good morning to you all. Sister, good morning.
Good morning.
No problem.
It could be a whole lot of things. Fact, ịpụta ihe ụgbọala ọgbọpụrụ gị ring n'aka. Mgbe na-eji Jpac, ịpụta ihe ụgbọala ọgbọpụrụ gị ring n'aka. One thing people don't know, a lot of people now like not they will paint that person blue and black. It then also now. But Sister Oge is not that kind of a person. I want a Jpac. Sister Oge is somebody. If you get past all the too emotional, it's somebody that's taken all the too emotional. If you get to see a name, believe me. If you are an enemy, I saw okay, we do it. Let everything be Bible. This is somebody that will assist you tomorrow. This is somebody who no matter how tight, easily, as in how difficult time because of her nature of her job, she will render help to you.
Amami who na agbara this thing now. Amami who na agbara ya ko obo mo mo. Can't you even think that woman is proud of herself? Only way brain, you have pride. So I don't know why you guys are stretching that thing. When they talk about I don't need to be stretched. I'm going to settle with it here.
Okay,
you know.
Okay, check and wag it.
I don't have any many business with her. I don't even like her. attitude, there is no need for going that far. The point is still remain only when it comes to settle with D. Why is she getting involved in something that has nothing to do with him?
Okay.
Sorry, her. That has nothing to do with her. I'm background can be put where that was when I start putting her in my thing. So what I go? No. My princess actually I get put it tomorrow because tomorrow.
Okay.
Tomorrow. Thank you.
Queen now call you tomorrow.
Onye na chike ya.
Onye na ejike.
Who they show Nash?
Okay,
Ogechi your Nash. Bleacher, come on, connect Nash. Bleacher, I will teach you the Tana. Bleacher,
Peter, bleach.
Yeah, okay, I want to go post on a page here. Na bleach is your time. Yeah, that woman, condition of the body. Bleacher, come on, be doing that.
Peter, okay. Me what is
Peter,
okay.
Okay.
Peter.
Okay. Okay, ex-convict when I like notice here. On I like notice here.
I trust you with your wisdom, you will make peace. But can cancel that peace?
Then upon your own way,
the fucking peace. Any peace that will come from that bastard, I cancel it. Lie. I told them that guy. I don't like him.
So negenti. So negenti. Negenti. So now on a like Iko. I say no my young of Oma. On a co peak on your toya. Otu ahunezi. That guy, useless person map with any word, that guy. Now. You're negative.
Him that guy with a passion. I hate him.
I want to Ezugo. Number poison and many now. Natural one. Useless person. I don't go Jpac self. Jpac get in. I like on that guy. On a contact with Jpac in Jpac. I'm on Onya get enter Jpac. Just cool down. You're not going to make this money. No, don't worry. Don't worry.
Peter on a million now today. On a lot too many now. They will Emanonia na bia gbako na Jpac ya wu hejigbo mmadu na onu na agba ya krakrakro. Na ya me Jpac avoid it. I'm telling you. Onya am na onwe ho Jpac me. He just there for the contact that he tifiluru na ya nwere. Onyo anyway, one of my business. I'm not in their friends. I'm not their friends.
In a good yourself, what they call me natural. It need can't
pretend though. You know, Jpac.
If no boss Jpac, if no na where they know Jpac, Akwa biology talking and age 1961. O name Akwa big man. Akwa yedi on Akwa madu no. So now can na watch na wedding Jpac. Ineko, ijire shishe. Nwanye merie gi na state begging name one of even president youth man winu. Nwanye merie gi can it go on. Ineko no na ga. For the part in social media, in a cheese governor president in Nigeria, in on social media, not call one. So I cocky ganako, Imam pass, and what do you get? What I was showing me that can't make it on the page in the month.
Peter, listen. Peter, now. One day you got one location. Yashi Jpac, and then invite Sahabia Toro Ego. Nothing more. This guy is
my man. ọzọ na ebe a mewekọ ibibịa kwuo gbasa Jpac ọgbachafụ gị ibibịa kwuo kwetọ ọgbachafụ gị si na ọbụla na-enụkwa azị ndị nọrọ Jpac rapụ ụtọ Jpac
he cannot say anything
oge nekwa ka ngwa gị sometimes ị na-ekwu okwu na-eche ekwe nenu ndị na Jpac na-enweta ewu ahụ Okongwu dibịa na onye eze nke ọzọ nenu nna ya na-eme dị na-agwa okwu nenu grade ebe ndị a nọ 0 onwede enweghị isi onye nke top bụ na na-emere invite a na-emere advert
ebe ha filu na ha nwu nwoke mụ na ha ga-adọka anya
nwoke ru 10 na-adọga ofu nwaanyị wee na-adọtụkọ ha 10 n'ala ife na anaghị eme ha mụ akara ịbara onwe m gara onwe m nwoke 10 na-adọga ofu nwaanyị dịkwa ha na-adọ ha aka nọrọkwa na-akọ eri mụ damanụ bịapụta kwuo okwu ha ṅụrụ ya ko eriwe Jpac ọṅụ ihe oge na-ekwu ike nara je mee test a dị anyị mkpa akwa iwetara proof nke a nyekwa proof test a ka a na-achọ ị na-eme ọ dịka onwe ya na ibe na-eso okwu iwetara proof test
wait Peter chere don't talk too much which proof ka o wetara
mba ọ na-ekwu na o weta proof based on nwoke kwuru okwu ọ na-aṅụrịrị na nwoke ekwugo n'okwu na o nwere ihe okwu gbasara ihe nwaanyị
no. That one is not a proof.
That's a camouflage.
That is not. If there's another thing, I will carry information come out.
Okay.
Yes, so
now, in I found that guy Baromba, Calafia, my own equal, on a hammock of your mind. That I am a woman, naked wire. Naked wire, joke. The man is just only protecting his family and his I know.
Exactly.
I know.
Very smart.
What? Jpac. The man is just only protecting his interests.
Okay, man, the man indirectly where you because like now calm down. Wisdom is profitable to direct. He used to wisdom because you know why? Many things will come out. Yes.
After I know cookie here, bet you okay with them. Okay, proceed. Yes, test.
The man did not insult me. No. I wouldn't many names saying that one. I wouldn't many names I'm about to call. But when I can walk it up a shenamia, the man spoke humbly, respectedly, peacefully. He got on Ochorudo, protect the family.
Intelligently,
After Nkemuna, Yajizi and KJ, Yajizi who log game with this idiot money here. Because so one of them called Korea.
Ọ kọrọ ndị ọzọ onye nke si amụ nwoke amụ nwoke maarị ọfụma nke si amụ nwoke amụ nwoke maarị ọ mara afọ na-asị ọ maarị ọfụma atọ onye amụrụ ọṅụ ife ame so onye akụ ji wutie maka ọ na onwere ife ame kọrọ ihe onye a na-agbakwanụ gba nwoke ya bụrụ nwoke ọ mara ọṅụ ihe a ga atọ ọ mana akọ ya so ihe akọ mma ngọ Jpac biko ebe nwee interest wụ ka ibe meela anyị test a dịkwana m mkpa karịsịa test a ka iji maka China
Nnamdi Zion calling daddy okay ọkụ ga-akpabiri ya next week ọ ga-akpabiri
anyị achọrọ ịma nke anyị gị na nwaanyị na-akọ nwaanyị si gị bịa mee test na-akọ iri
instead of them to come and say what is the problem why you get anger where did this thing started ona ashalụ na nwaanyị usoro akwụ na nwaanyị ahụ ọ lụrụ
onye a bụrụ nwaanyị ka ọ nọ ya retired assured not tired retired but not tired
anyway peace until you guys start making amend of a pay ministry
exactly
which one
mba a sị na anụ nwaanyị ọhụrụ a sị na anụ nwaanyị oche nsị na Ogechi nụrụ dị ochie gwa nụrụ nke ọhụrụ Ogechi nụrụ nke ochie na-akọ eri
akụnụ na-adọpụ problem nta niile akụ mepeghị biznes ọhụrụ na-adọ biznes ya Business is not human life.
Ị ga-abịakwa na business ndị a na-eme ambassador anyị ebidokwa ebe ahụ maka anyị maka omo ga-esi na-eme ambassador
mmanya. Is not life?
Ndị omo.
Is that someone's life?
Mba ka ha bụrụ ya.
Na koeri.
Ana ekwu
You cannot call you guys. You guys should stop this dirty characters. But actually you soon. The ones that I like Remon. Ndeni na he gwara mu na edugara na nke Akwa ya buru ite ọgwụ ji human being na-enwe isi ha. I will start listing them out. All of them. You never see anything.
That guy too
Look
talk.
at you.
He got a money.
You can everybody. Kena karama. See man, they don't be see man. Everybody na ache. Na ache isi hatu. Neliti. Go for business. Get look at you.
Exactly.
Then it's not the new. Also, the new 400. But in a January of 50,000 naira go up. When I knew 400,000, then again innocent. Jpac affons innocent. Innocent.
Tomorrow, I have one video to make this morning before I sleep.
Because okay, mother you're going for peace in here because I may like test and the monk carry say you need. Come here, I'm going to test test and the monk.
Peter can happen because one powerful video I'm about to drop. Go there, share it, comment. I'm about to drop another bomb. Boom! This shit Jpac.